sell out. Them sell out, Andre. Even Ishmael, all Ishmael are going there, you know. But try to go up on Ishmael platform and listen. And trust me, I not see where Ishmael didn't left Andre and go over there because him don't make no sense. Boy, him go about deep. I sitting about thinking deep channel. Ishmael platform is very poor. Him internet is very poor. Everything is very poor. And he left. The way you left the man, before you help build the man, even if you said to the man, say, all right, Andre, me get experience by your thing now. So you me and you go in a business. Like, give me a CEO or something like that. If we are used to pay me, change that and make we do a different way of building this platform. Him could have said that to the man and it was them in a it. You go and find your own platform. So all people are going to build in it. All people are going to build. Bad mind and bad mind. Perry Cummings him gone on him own and then I justify, oh, I've been doing YouTube from way back when. Nobody never know you. Nobody never know you when you was doing it. As since you go over Andre, you got copy man style just like the one at England. And Shelley, then you Ishmael come after that.
Shelley, I have to listen to you guys, but I'm not going to be able to speak. Let me tell you something. Ishmael is not mature enough to conduct a program by himself.
True. Yeah, but Ishmael is the one that come out now with, you know, say Ishmael upon today, may I say Ishmael today. That's why I'm so upset. Ishmael today come out and a different Isaac, you know, and I talk about Andres this and Andres that, and this is the real truth.
I'm going to make a point. The truth.
Come here, watch them long time.
Shelly, I enjoy listening to you. I'm going to make a point and jump off the live because I have to do something. Yeah. Let me tell you something. ISAT is about creating wealth for himself, right? ISAT has no good intention for the people of East Portland. When last have you ever heard ISAT talking about the people at Blue Lagoon who Daryl Vaz stole their property and build a mansion and they can't have access to do their rafting? When last?
True.
Right? So let me tell you something. ISAT is joining forces with Daryl Vaz and Andrew Wallace so they can control the seaports and access all the wealth up there. Look here. Remember, the man is a 2-time drug convict, you know. So he wants to be in the company of Daryl Vaz. Yes, he
wants not the limelight. Yeah.
Right.
He wants to be famous.
So guess what now? In closing now, he sees Andrew Holness in Juliet Holness, so he wants to get close to Juliet Holness to copy the lifestyle of Andrew Holness. That's what he is doing. So he will do anything to get to Juliet Holness. And he said he's deeply in love with Juliet Holness. Remember when Delano Seawright hugged up Juliet Holness from behind? Did you remember that incident?
Yes, yes.
He said he was the one who should be hugging up Juliet Holness, not Delano Seabright.
What?
Yes. So he wants the formula. He wants the winning formula from Juliet Holness to reach the status of Andrew Holness. The man will never change.
That's why I'm always a pick up VR.
Yes, he will never change. Look here, a man with 2 convictions for drug trafficking. Do you expect him to change? He only go into politics and law to get richer.
And Andre make him win the seat. Of
course, he couldn't have won without Andre.
Andre lock up in business. Yes.
But look here.
They spend weeks for the man.
Yes. Without Andre,
compromise money and fame agenda.
So you see, them not real. We are fight for defend them and them see them one that cut your throat. You say them not real.
Let me give you a last piece.
Exactly.
I enjoy listening to Shelley. Let me give you one more before I leave.
Yes.
ISAT Buchanan overcharged Vibes Cartel during his appeal process by multiple millions of dollars. That is why Vibes Cartel maliced him. Vibes Cartel would never speak back to
him.
So that's my closing point. Vibes Cartel would never talk back to ISAT Buchanan again. Remember when ISAT was running for MP and Daryl Vaz was showering money?
You know what? Me respect you. You know, I see you. Me know your voice. Me know you. Me know you. Must say head boy. Me know you. Me respect you. Me watch Andre long time.
My mother used to do. People were asking why Vibes Cartel not contributing to Isaac Buchanan.
The rallying, yes, when he was doing the rallying. Yes.
Isaac Buchanan and Vibes Cartel are two enemies because a whole lot of millions of dollars were double charged for the same services.
True. It's all about the money, and people think say because when he was doing the tablet and all of these things before him reached there, I don't see him put out that uttermost best right now. He's not doing that. He's more on the other side that try to get fame and look and friend. He's not doing that. But and you see, Andrea have to be careful of them because enough of them are sell out. Them are sell out. Agree, the man, me say even Ishmael, it surprised me. Oh, Ishmael turn again. And here what Ishmael said this morning on the platform. Oh, Andre, don't let me have to come out and talk up the things them. Can you imagine? The man let uno name circles and uno come and make and turn to be somebody out of the man. Look how Ishmael get big and fat and look round and everything and something and no turn against the man. Them are wicked. Them are wicked. Them are sell out. Me know long time say Isaac and Andre not in a good terms. But Ishmael a go on like say since Andre grandmother passed away and to him not send condolence, him vex with Isaac. A man vex with Isaac long time. From the man win the seat, the man change. So them can't tell me nothing. Isaac that sell out. May I listen to him, because my spirit not take him, even though may I listen to him. My spirit not take him. Me feel him before he start get funny. Andrea try to help the people and everybody. I try to help everybody. Everybody him try help then turn against him. Why not do them nothing? Survival. Both them gone open platform. So how you go build up? How you go build? Could I build one set platform?
True.
Me employ you to build up the thing. Me and you for run the thing till thy kingdom come.
But the two of them can apart same way. And Andrea said, go and go subscribe to Ishmael. Then could I be friends same way and still do them things same way? Andrea would have tell them to go and go subscribe to that channel there and thing would have build in it.
Yeah, but the fact that them in there are build with him, when them leave him is the time when him need them most.
True.
At them time they them leave him, which is not right.
True.
Me say the first one, Perry Cummins, the guy was on the road doing the package them in a Westmoreland. And you know, once him out the road I do that, him can't hold the studio. So Perry Cummins, and at them time the man walk out on the guy. Common sense. Them know say him alone can't do it. And him bring you in it. You know build it up. Build like how the bank. You see like how the bank will start from 3 people and so till the bank have thousands of people. Why them couldn't stay until it build up? And register on yourself as a shareholder in the company, if anything.
That's the problem. Nobody no want to do it, the work. They just want instant funds.
Everyone
That's why them
wants
people
everybody
can
wants
come in and manipulate.
That's why some people, when them have them business, it's a father and son business, mother and daughter business, and them something there and continue to do the business. But some of them are Jamaican, yeah. I just literally bad mind and run for them head.
And them say Isaac loves sweets.
Yeah.
Sweetie bag.
easily
use Andre
compromised.
platform. And I use Andre platform to big up himself too. Use Andre platform and come over on Friday daytime and make people listen. And that them doing they for themselves. And I show no
And take
respect
some
after that.
Andrew people. That's all him do.
Yeah.
Come up
And
with
then I talk about Andre
get some
miserable and I know
followers.
if I talk to people. I don't blame him. Cuss out them backside and run them.
That's why.
Hey, one time and what time Ishmael
That's
set up
why, as the
Andre and when
underdog, we
Andre
have
in
to
the background a
identify the
cuss bad word.
agents.
Ishmael purposely set up Andre and one time Andre cuss a clot in the background and Ishmael put him pan live, you know. He mean I studio, you know, I control the thing. And Ishmael Andre chop a bad word, you know. And Ishmael light him out, they make everybody hear. Sell out. Them are people here, them wicked, you fuck.
Money, the influence of money. Money are the roots of all evil. And it's the propeller for all the agendas where you see I get carried out. People have to understand what is more valuable and keep saying it. What is more valuable? Existence,
But Andre
life,
should have known
or
say
money?
Ishmael a danger long time because when Andre and a topic didn't fall out and you see him Ishmael in company the live and I talk about he didn't say that Andre you shouldn't call his name and all them something there. So them just make everybody rejoice over everybody. Them just turn it round and turn it back round and turn it round and peer that a go on. Bad
Correct.
mind them bad mind. But them can't stop Andre. Andre young and proud.
You can't stop truth. That's the thing, you know. Truth
So
will
Andre
always resonate.
once him tell you the truth, and the truth, when you talk the truth, people don't like it. So him now, Andre never go have any friend. Him now go have no friend.
True, man.
Him now go have no friend.
Warriors don't have
Just
friends.
plain.
Just plain.
And people not gonna like him for that.
No. But it better him stay in my own circle because me not have no friend and me happy like whoa. Me no want them around me. And me plain like Andre. If you upset me, I tell you the truth. If you don't like it, you don't like it.
Want a friend?
No one, no friend, me I tell you the truth. If me wrong, me assess it and say me wrong. But the truth is the truth, mate. But they gone on their own platform. And we come here so together. I try build up for better. Everybody gone launch out. And the people in the comments and I said, oh, it's nice that you can do your own thing. You know, you still could have do your own thing while still be a team. You just have to change up and contract up on yourself and know, say, me are this and you are that. Sign a contract and run the thing. And be proud of yourself. When it you know, look on all some of the channel them like BBC and them thing there. Them have them team and them proud. You come join my platform and then after 1 week, 2 week, 2 months time, you're gone. So we ain't bother come for.
Come for the followers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come for destroy.
Yeah, come on Hustler find platform and then shift it. You see me? Because them are going to move to the bigger, then them can step to the other side and say, look, they may have X amount of people who follow me.
That's why, you know, when them vote for Bro God and say Bro God young and all of these things, they should not do it and think twice because let me tell you this, you know, from my born and live on this earth here, you know, I am always working. I'm a very independent person. And when I work for black people, I have to sit down and wait and cost to cloth and pay things to get my pay. You see, when I work for white people, them called background master, that kind of the past, brethren, me I get my, if background master say, at the 10th of every month, me I get me pay. And if you black, me work for the black man, me have to sit down and wait and cost bad word and go on all kind of way to get my money. So we see him one I'm damaged, and we are damage control. So when them can use color pan Mark Golding and them something that don't make no sense. The man in the thing for a long time and him not improve. Give it to somebody else and try him. Una go say PNP do this and that from way back when. That is in the past. This is a new man. I go be a new PNP. Give him a chance. Test him out. Him come with a good idea. Watch and see the ideas then, because if him didn't come out with them ideas and him win and not do what him supposed to do, miss him when I go come and cuss out in clat. Miss see him when I go defend him to go in, and when he come and do the right thing, and miss see him when I go tell him off. Just like I said, people didn't believe in him and know them to say I'm a traitor. My traitor.
Boy,
Not do that.
I real dark Shelly.
Yeah, my traitor.
A true man.
White man not play with you so easy when you labor for when you labor, they must make sure you then give you what you labor for. But you see your own when you labor, a war. If you don't war them, you don't get your labor.
Real dark Shelly. Real dark Shelly.
So give the man a chance,
So
man.
true.
Give the man a chance. You have your little pit in them a come up and them a talk about. The man say in each household, a child can go to university for free. In each household. What Andrew Owens ever said towards the children them we are going to school right now? To them pass the right now. What promise?
Jamaica people don't want nothing,
give
Shelly.
them?
Them
When
don't
give
want
to
them want
them?
them belly rascal.
The man would have even open opportunity for
Them
the
want
people them
KFC.
travel and do work experience and come back. Them just
Yeah,
jealous
Andrew
about them
come
one
and talk
another.
about education.
I feel Jamaican
That's
just
why him
jealous
lock down
of
the
them one
school, them
another.
in the community, Shelly.
Yeah.
Shelly, you hear me tell us that's why the man locked down the 3 BSc school.
Yeah.
You know, hear who help him school? Thankwell. Oh, come, you ever see the man that contribute to school? At 2 school in our community, see you at primary, when him get the most vote. It's a polling station. You call it your belly bottom. My children,
You
them
don't
work
want
over there.
no good come out. You don't want them to improve
You
in themselves.
understand?
You don't want no good to
And
come
tell the
out of
school
them.
not ready. Pitney and left Pembroke school and don't know nothing.
Nobody know to be next prime minister.
What?
Ma keep everybody done so nobody know be next prime minister.
Yeah.
That me assure
And
you,
nobody enough for
you ever hear
brighter
the man
than
they want
Phil Pitney them
school a
we get.
function?
Nobody pitting enough to pass the worst than Phil Pitney them we get home tutoring.
Take and gone. And me see Mark Golding. They are jungle. I big up the Pitney them a pass. And me know them a get something. And Andrew never there. Pass. Playing a guy.
You know the worst thing about it, all Bigfoot in there. You ever see Bigfoot a uplift no woman nowhere in
pass and
Jamaica
gone.
yet?
Pitney them a look for go. Summer school at them new school. Andrew something for Robbie.
Yo, look for alright. Look for Andre. Look for Andre will come on social media talk and every minute a big. If Andre didn't want, and you know Andre, look, Andre never won a car. The amount of money we pass through that boy they earn. Him could have not pay people them and buy himself a car long time. He could have people in Gateway and not save none for himself. No save none for himself.
Book and things, you know.
Hey, you see no. You see now like Isaac turn. You see now like Isaac turn the next way. He might go help the people them and cramp Andre, you know. You never know, you know. That man there is a dangerous man, the Isaac there, you know.
Oh man. Andre I keep back to
I would have them all I tell them we say now the last week them on the boy. What context matter? Come on live a full
dirty boy that. You just going there for the fame, not the eye. And for the eye.
But you never see me build one picture with him
Yeah,
and put
trust
up
you, no
there.
brother.
Certain people in straight right now. They never build no picture with him yet.
Who you defend the woman? The woman if you defend, brother, put up on the same team. Defend her to the max. Cause that not there for defend her.
On the
Also
same
one thing stand
team.
up for her.
Because even when the woman has said
Why you couldn't do that?
the younger people them come in parliament, come change it up and this is not happening. And him is the younger one too. Him coming them new too. So him should have defend at the part there.
True.
Him
Yeah.
new as well.
I mean, if criminal
It
can't
goes
talk to
for
people.
Nikisha
Criminal
Burchell
can't
also
talk
it
to
goes
people.
for him.
True, I'm young and I'm a newcomer.
Yeah.
You must remember, people not gonna stop the fake until them see consequences, you know. That's the thing. Gonna have to create a deterrent system so people not feel so easily jump. All right now, now for them eyes, them things say them up on the winning side.
True,
And
a
that, you
true
know,
Gaston.
yeah. That are the thing where I cause so much issues. You see me?
Yeah.
No accountability. Everybody does a switch up and I get the bigger
Yeah.
slice, the pie. So I must say, see them, me
And enough
again.
of them in there not talk to what them one another, you know. Enough of them in there not talk to them one another, you know.
No, them don't. Because them must sell out.
Yeah, them don't
Jealousy.
talk to them one another. On the both side, it a go on right now.
On both sides, you can go.
Yeah, them not talk to them one another. You
The only thing
understand?
we have everything together right now are the money. That are the influence.
True, because we all
All
Damien
about the
usually
money.
powerful. Me not hear Damien powerful again, you know. I mean, go shake hands your hand, you know.
Yeah, yes, it's true.
Nah, hear him a
true,
powerful
Damien,
thing
yeah.
again, you know.
But you know,
He
yeah,
get
Andre tell him,
soft
say,
up
I
in
watch
Shelly.
you.
And me
Andre
a
Stephen
watch
tell
him.
me, I watch you, you know, Damien. Me, I watch you. Yeah, that's true. When
Man turn
Angela
jelly
take up
back,
the base,
brother.
him run like a thief.
A man turn jelly back. Damien not talk powerful like one time, Shelly. No one no walk one in a parliament, brother.
I must see the sitting where they use and a blindfold them. I must see it a take over. For them under influence,
Because
you know.
when we shake hand your hand, you know, and the woman put her hand behind her and I shake it, you know.
Them under influence, you know, the power, them under the power. Andrew only sitting must yeah.
And just silence Damien, man.
Yeah. They must go
Silence
drink their
Damien, not tell
water.
you, Shelly.
They must drink their water. They must make Andrew carry one igloo of water come give them.
Yeah.
Real joke of them, you know.
Yeah, Memo.
Nah, yeah, me not hear Damien on this big talk again and this powerful talk. The man gets soft
Him not
out like
talk.
a jelly back.
Yeah, Memo, Tom.
Yeah. We not hear the Damien we know. But the outspoken
Yes,
talk
true.
of the things. We not
They
hear the
gone
Damien.
quiet. Wait. Gone quiet. Make this a
Listen to
speaker turn
her.
off.
Big
Turn
up
off my
Tiny
phone.
Bless. Big up Tiny, big up.
No wonder why Mark Wallen does a hold it and a easy. Can't you see a Judas them, you know? Too much Judas them.
I think it's a Mark Golden fed up on them and left it give them, you know. And any day Mark Golden fed up and left it give them the dog name then supper.
Dog name then supper because they don't get buy out already. So, you fit up on the other side and the other
Mark
side.
Golden phone look round him and see I pay a vampire around him and just give up.
Them is not with the man quietly.
Them not leave him no choice.
The judge or the prime minister under court, him have everybody under court under spell.
Yeah, but them forgot them know that PNP side know that them for power up and defeat.
Oh, you don't see the people that must repeat them in a parliament. You don't see them try to muzzle people them. The people where them have beside them, I work with them And I try to oppress the people them. So no suwagwan. Everybody soon suwagwan, man. I just a matter of time. And our time is the master. Every secret soon bust out. And you have to come down. Watch it.
The science catch them, you know. The science catch them, man. You know if you catch them with the science. I weak them. Yeah. We know say Buchanan, the boy Buchanan, Isaac Buchanan, my batty boy, and Tony idiot. Go. Sell up no nice go money. Can I sell up one little warrior?
Listen, man, let me tell you something, G-Unit. Time is the master.
No rate him again, no
Time
tiny.
I tell Pandem.
Time no rate the boy again, no.
Eh?
No rate Isaac Buchanan again, no.
Oh, which one?
Portland boy, you know, the MP, you know, no rate him again, no.
Yeah, but listen, we're not going to stay.
You can't see woman a defend. You can't see woman a defend in rights. And you go like you want to bash you, man. I want to tell you.
No, man, the man, me did I watch it and think, him a defend. Nikisha, you know. But you know what happened? Yesterday, the old speaker, imagine, is a way where to only see it and me look on it and listen to it. You know, sometimes you have to make some like a distant thing where everybody knows fair behavior.
Enough, Isaac.
Everybody knows fair behavior and thing. And them needs to look out upon the slackness we are going in a parliament and hey, Mr. I respect them when they went and them start beat the desk. Just a beat the desk. What? That means no want to hear we talk. That means we don't want to hear una neither.
Other part them alone.
Yeah.
That are the best part for me in a parliament. Man decides to nah sit down. Not sit. Andre Stevens interview him 1-to-1, you know, with what the man the name? The man Powell, Philip Powell.
Yeah.
Andre Stevens interview him 1-to-1.
Yeah,
Man said, nah, sit down. But she stand up and fall fear and like say I fear the place.
Right.
Up, straight bully.
Well, look for
Big cow. You see the big cow, Della Rimple, she should ashamed of herself to be standing up and talking.
Tiny,
in
she a look
Parliament
points, you know, tiny. Remember, see her points, them dropping, you know, so she a build up her points.
Because she look somebody
her points, she a try to build up back her points, you know. She a try to build up back
yeah,
her
but
points.
what I'm saying, she should be ashamed of herself because look at her. We are going to talk about Nikisha.
Oh, she for shame and she a thief.
Right? But you know
shame
what
tiny.
You ever hear thief?
The whole of the
She
thief
shame
them.
put back in there.
You know, see the whole of the thief then the Prime Minister put back in the house. The whole of the thief them become thief more. She's a
It look like somebody tell. It look like somebody tell Mother Cow say she not talking in the parliament. It look like somebody tell Mother Cow say she not talking enough. That's why she come out and talk.
But she not say one shit because but that thing be when time she was the old speaker. She never used to behave, sir. And them never used to behave, sir. The opposition them used to have talking at the house.
True.
So she could be honest and be fair.
Tiny,
She have to talk about new parliament and new
Like in the
member.
son of marketplace from
Yeah,
last
me
time.
that listen
Darren, man. You get buy out, man. You give him money and call him back, man. That's a big trap.
Yeah, she said
And get her money and come back.
when me that play her today, she has said them a check now and them thing there.
Now,
She
Who
said
said that?
get-
Nikisha Birchall said them a
yeah,
trick now.
yeah, when me that play it.
What if you want to be? What if you want
Yes,
to
man, tell her about you know to pass back there, so.
What if you want to be? What if you want to be? He want to be big body
I
girl.
stop there. Hold on. Mackenzie. Mackenzie, I
Right,
got
I mean bodyguard right now. Post for pussy what?
What the enemy let me tell you something. You see that he get already. And somebody just reach out to him and make him have heart attack in a parliament and drop down. That them to do.
Him there the hole in just the
They you not see how the man up there and favor dead and him not dead. That's just the board them want. To build the casket for him.
Imam Babs there right
I don't want to see it. I don't want to see the news. This one something.
You think I get him born and like me a cock already.
This one something.
Yeah, definitely.
This one something they must say. The Prime Minister said people are threatening him.
Yeah.
Because one man come out with one
the man by YouTube with the big gun.
Down and whatever.
Oh, he might in the rifle.
You want party?
You get coward now, man, when it's right with him, but man, coward, you get coward now.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Coward now. I know how you attack the man. You don't know which car of you attack the man from. You don't know where man come from, you know what we're about.
When Isaac get up and give him speech, Dan Rimplin that beat the bench, you know, when they see it. Like she agree with Isaac and beat for Isaac. Yeah.
Isaac a batty boy, go in go man.
Them Isaac a sell out.
Pussy was black me, so you know I move for me again. Cause tell him about him mama blood clot. No afraid of no boy, you know. I want thing how team left me doing that dead, you know. Who them bomb buckler and go.
All Isaac though go in a pool and they on TikTok. Yes, yeah. When them do interview.
In a pool and they on TikTok every day.
Thanks for the money gun, my brethren. Thanks for the money gun.
Go big money gun.
Yeah.
Go big money gun.
That's why in a pool and muggle every day.
Yeah. And I feel skin. Batty boy, man. My favorite talk. Yeah. Chua. PMP and MP. Batty boy that.
You know, so one next man in a film pool to come like I two of them together.
What's say what you think can chat to me? Oh boy.
Better know what I'm doing now. If you call on this Nikisha, I'm going to problem.
What do you mean? Mr. Easy blood class self. Man start showing right, you know we can pick you at 1 mile and just start fret. The man is showing right and say, boy, be careful. Be careful.
You better play Rastaman. Rastaman thing is
Then you know if the man that jail, they don't know where Rastaman
they come from. One of them see the man us appear on the screen. See him there.
They don't know about the man.
They want small island country. I know Jamaica in there.
No. That's why they get panic because they don't know how to attack you, man.
Yeah.
They get panic.
The behavior and the treatment for him, the whole world.
What do you mean? Because what you know? Remember say in news, the newspaper say, no, he man no threaten and do unless I know, you know. You know, threaten him, you know. You gonna warn him. Warning him. A man with a rifle warning the Prime Minister about his behavior and how he going.
Who see the clip?
You see it, man?
Who see the clip where the man have the sitting there beat him
oh, with the piece of sitting there beat him in the head. I beat him in the head, yeah, man.
Yeah, the button.
So tight any. Yes, one man from down and more beard. One man from down for them here down and more beard in a Labour community. I tell him say boy, he didn't go and good because their father fight for them much years. I don't know nothing for their father. Labour do nothing for their father fight for Labour right. Buy all bus, give them a sin thing. I don't know nothing for their father, and their father don't know nothing.
And then I do nothing for him.
I'm not for people in my community.
Look at all the man. Look at all the man where Melissa blew up her house up and her sitting them. And at the end of the day, that woman that a big supporter of them from what it can fill up, you know, from Seattle days, you know. And then now look on them. One
Tell
girl,
them,
me no remember petal her ready to ask. What?
tell them about labor right, man. They don't understand about labor right, man. The right part of the week is blood clot part and they don't believe. We already have about show labor right at 1 p.m. Fool no blood clot. Me? All the blind like Richard, me I feel and me I listen. Oh. Yeah. Again already again.
Baba, add the comments.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bless me, she have to send a request first, send it.
Yeah. Send a request, mama.
She should have sent a request first.
Yeah.
Judge.
Tap up the screen, guys. Share the live, please, and thank you. Yeah. So we are deal with it. Tap up the screen, share the live, subscribe to Clubber YouTube page. Yeah.
Jim Kim, send back a request.
Making us sleep, man. I'm sleeping. Why? Clubber, you have to go. Got the facial place, you know. Because I'm here at work. Like I'm 95 me I do.
Nah, tell her, man, you know, she say that we are do. Nah, them fuck. See, the last 40, you know. I say 40.
Don't to put
Right
what
now, we need it. Right now, we so, we know what we are going to do, man.
Yeah.
We're not coming back on your platform.
Why?
Yeah, tell me why in the comments.
Yeah. Tell me why. I can't do that, comrade.
God. Comrade, there, that's stress.
Remember, you have a comrades this time, no? You can't do that. Bless. When I say that, you bet me have the last cliff here now. Light up your weed, man.
Well, I
And
was stressed.
forward.
Well,
I
I
know
was
what, me just look where I light up, I know.
Last night, me dey on Carrara live.
Yeah,
And
tell me,
somebody
Bless.
threw me out of the box
Oh,
and
yeah,
mute
tell me,
me.
Bless.
Somebody threw me out of the box and mute me.
When?
Yeah. So me not know that. Me did probably
Them
me did drop
time
asleep.
them knock out, Bless. Me then the
Drop
funny life, Bless.
asleep. So me not know.
Yeah, somebody threw me out and mute me. Cause all me a text, it now go through them mute me. So,
Wow. I
me
would
know say
that.
me have choice. Me have choice.
If I not miss wrong, do it Calabar, I go to TikTok.
Mama, me knock out last night.
Miss Wang did
Yeah,
not
me know you
sleep.
not do that, Miss Wang.
No,
Me know
man,
you
me
not
not
do
do
that.
that to
When me
Bless, man.
say,
You mad?
when me make a repeat, when we have say, when you send up some gift for King, and the gift can share for King and Calabar, the money gone.
Yeah.
When me, as me said the part there, me just see me just drop out of the box and then move.
A TikTok.
I must TikTok and then
Time,
time.
you're not supposed to ask to that, you know, Bless. You're not supposed to ask to that from TikTok. TikTok I do it, say anybody accident
Oh
in
yeah,
there.
you're not for ask. You're not for ask.
Okay, oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Kite me I said, from that me the panic was so them throw me out of the box. So me I say,
No,
watch
man,
out.
you know you a nice up your life, man. Nobody can kick you out. You mad?
You don't know, say nobody can throw you.
You mad, mama? Yeah, comrade, you know, by so, you know. You're tiny. There's so much beat them beat you tiny in my back when I come in.
You didn't sleep last night. You sleep it
No,
up, Miss Wang.
Mr. Me get some Cali and I Cali knock me out.
Miss Wang sleep. Oh, last night did nice. With me and King Panic. And Thing.
Yeah. What?
Whole heap of people that panic last night.
Me in the panic, you know, but me in the box sleep. Me sleep and wake and see the life still the pan. Fast asleep
When
on
me
the
wake
bed.
up, you know, my phone dead.
And at the 1 o'clock bells, TikTok throw me out of the box. After 1. Then.
Okay.
Yeah, so you know what time that for me? If I after 1 for you know what time that for me? Me don't sleep long time. Must be from after 4 my time.
4.
About 6 o'clock that.
We go upstairs and up on the live till I don't know when me
6 o'clock my time that. I'm supposed to go in bed about 4 o'clock. So 2 hours after me drop asleep.
So all the light end. You wake up and see it?
No, me not wake up and see. Me not wake up till 10 o'clock next day.
Sit down. Who is this honest now? Turn right. We are talking
About 10
about.
o'clock, me wake up.
On that turn right, come always come on disrupt people. Disrupt.
Who trying to kill for you? That dog, who trying to kill for you?
What's a killing woman?
Who trying to kill for you?
Who trying to kill
woman? Trying to wicked and the Prime Minister. Trying to wicked and the Prime Minister.
I want to look dirty ugly man.
And dirty grasses, man. Where
tell you, man.
What not talk about?
You see right
wicked.
Let me mute him too.
No man, the man say tiny you do it wicked. Now that man say.
Where you see that?
The man said tiny and you do it wicked.
Yeah.
That him say.
Yeah.
Treat the hard way this, you know, we're gang.
Yeah. We gang.
Tiny
Oh.
Somebody has said. Somebody has said she watched it until she fall asleep. Yeah, man, I want it for people. Entertainment, I love free entertainment.
Yeah, and then on top the screen and share out the live.
Oh, we don't want nobody there on here, so with Isaac Buchanan, we don't respond to him want to do. These people are distraction and come
We're
over
not
here to
talking
talk
about
about
Isaac
Isaac.
Buchanan right now.
So make we talk about him and this
We're
him.
talking
We
about
not
Dirty
this him.
Andrew. Dirty Andrew.
Right there, sir.
See the breaking news. The
Miss
FBI
Wang, what are
lawmaker,
you doing?
the FBI
What?
lawmaker
What
in
me
the
do?
US,
Jim Kim, that Miss
I
Wang.
come
What me
investigate
do?
Andrew Oldness them.
Yeah, me see it, me see it.
About the deportee.
What me do? Baba.
You don't know one away. You don't know when
Nobody
you
know
see me.
wicked than your prime minister.
Oh, you
Dirty
feel
man
me?
you come from, man. I
Baba,
want to see a dirty man. Dirty
This
man, I
one,
want a
you
wicked with.
just mute one away.
I
Jim
missed
Kim,
it. I mistake. You can't. Sure. You informer. You could call me and say a mistake. A mistake.
so when
Baba.
that happen, no me, so I made it. It all
No,
look like I
I'm
made
sorry.
it.
My Anthony,
Mr. Andy,
the man
who
we
we
are
kill
talking
for
about
you?
signing me for mute the coil. If it's top side. Sorry, Claude, I'm sorry.
Who we kill for you, Mr. Andy, sir?
I'm
Look how
sorry,
Andrew,
Claude.
look how all over the world send the money come get Andrew to take care of the people. Look at the old man down at Westmoreland, eh?
Well, tell them I go investigate the thief.
Yeah. I come investigate, yeah.
Them all
Deport
keep
them.
people cool. The labor
Cause them
right
take the
them.
man. Cause them
Keep
take
all
the
the
money,
man
you know.
cool.
Them a come thing then, investigate about the deport them.
Yeah, man, try to take the money, you know.
Yes, man. Long
I
time.
don't
See
know
them
what-
now, Tiny.
Yeah, thief. Mr. Anderson reach in a box.
See them, Tiny.
You know, no money.
What we
You know,
deal
no
with him
money
now?
for them.
Clubber say I need your
Oh,
friend,
I
Clubber.
name come for.
I am
I name
coming
come for,
back.
I have me ticket.
Papa Claude.
Clubber say I need
You
your
know,
friend,
see,
Clubber.
who that, Tiny? Yes, you dance album.
Clubber, I wish I don't block me. Miss Wang, you know what I'm saying? When I don't block me and kick me
Oh,
out the box.
somebody block him.
Somebody block me and kick me out the box.
I know me. I must be
And me coming up
Are you
moderator.
with Tiny?
Apache agree.
Apache graduate.
Yo, me say me can't even see the man from the platform now to come with me.
Apache
My
graduate.
personal page.
Apache graduate, I know me.
Apache agree a friend.
Yeah. Are your friend
Me
doing?
don't know how to patch agree. You come like
Change up
say.
the name for way.
Eh?
I dance change up the name for way.
Yeah.
I dance all now.
And I come talk about
Yeah,
Tiny
dance
and
I
Wicked.
dance him change up him name.
Yeah. Yes, Apache graduate black him.
Him change up him name and come up. You better you come down.
Come down. Me hear him now. Me can't manage them three people. You must have said, me can't manage them, you know. Them the three there.
Why I always get bad name?
Them a go hammer you.
And I'm really black on up, sir. I'm even black on
And
up.
a Tiny black, you can't Tiny no moderator anymore. So I'm a Tiny black you.
Yeah, and I mean, you don't go mute them.
That's money.
Glad
That's
because
money
you
kicking.
wrong first for the coil.
Dancehall boom no fool over here, so Bama when one name fool over Madam.
You know him say Andrew the best prime minister. What we are doing with him over here?
We don't want him over here. Me tell you, say me and him now stay panel live.
Dance all
Me
bad.
too.
You see you
Him a
and
distraction.
Savigad.
You come for
You
distract
see you
me.
dance all Baba and Savigad. You know no way to know, but it's on the labor right. If you go by the labor right live.
Yeah, man, him to go over the labor right live,
Yeah.
man. I see me say. Away in the
Baba, when me
Empress
son of Funko. Son of Funko.
Son of Punkus. And the
Empress. come over yesterday on Calabar Live. We play one voice note with Ajima. And I tell PLI, but nurse and doctor and birthright and Ray and thing are justified. Say the Prime Minister now take 10,000 prisoners a skill worker them.
Yeah.
Me have to get mad here. Tell her she's a liar. Come down off of this. You now come up here for come spread the misinformation.
Now tell her to
Well, you now mislead the people. Them. Come down.
Fly up off of this. Kind of fly up.
You make them know, say. You make them know, say, we don't want them man, they out here, you know, brother. So you have to take back your money from Andrew. We don't want them out here.
Back which money? Andrew don't pocket the money.
As long as me the pan alive, yeah, none of them come by us or come spread no propaganda. We not know when I
come this nobody. You mad?
I come justify
them say, yo, we don't want them man over here, you know, so take back the money from Andrew, you know, because no send them out here, you know, because right now go pretty.
Money already and gone in a housing plan.
I another week at the court. 2 times now the man for up here go a court where the judge order him say the people them when sent out of the country they deported them if you carry them back because human trafficking that him are doing is against the law.
Why?
It's against the law. So the one them go and send kids, them send kids Prime Minister say send them back. Send them back to the United States because that is a part of human trafficking. You understand me? Kidnap the people them.
Yeah.
Some people not even know where enough people not even know where them loved one there. Right now, one in a Jamaica. And the federal government, I say, them to send him back because the youth now no Jamaican parents. The youth now nobody born a Jamaica, and them is not a Jamaican. And them send them deport him about 6 months now to Jamaica. Them find out say Jamaica in there.
You hear them something there?
Yes, so them reach out to the US Embassy to get him up back in America. Yeah, because you have some immigration lawyer over here fight the case. And them send out to the prisoner them, the one them where they are El Salvador prisoner, them for send them back to America. Because they're not supposed to leave the country like that. Them for face immigration law, come a court.
They face a judge, and face a judge, and make the judge give them the deportee. And that's supposed to happen, but they might take this pan them head and I do all these crazy bullshit. Sending people here, there, and everywhere. And people don't have no relatives, no family, nothing. Plenty of them have all them asylum pending.
Yeah.
So that's what I said, they must stop it.
Yeah.
They put on a stoppage on it.
Yeah,
they need to go to
stop on it.
Let the judge, and let the judge figure it out and give them the deportee to leave the country. Then that's different.
Just like birthright citizens.
You don't see them at
you see the birthright citizens.
People send them where?
You see the birthright citizens, you know, see them throw it out of court.
Yeah,
and
man,
them say that is against the Constitution rights. How can a child born here? And you go talk about say, whether a mother want to be non-immigrant or immigrant or whatever, the child born in America. So, through the love of money of Andrew.
78.
Sure, Andrew corrupt. Andrew can't get the man no talk. Because the man know all of the corruption they were Andrew mix up in
Florida. In Falmouth, they must say majority of the people in Falmouth in Florida. 3/4 of the people them immigrant and them make up Florida. And immigrant make up majority the places them in the United States.
Then I hear the people that must say.
That's right.
Then I hear the people that must say if deport him wife and him pick them. Yeah. But through Andrew corrupt,
But this
And we
not
can't give no
you
talk.
see all them something like that's why me nobody come on live more again because all when me out talk about dons. You can't
Time
call
stop
people
watch them, no
dons who
time.
don't
Tell you
like
the ones
you.
to stop watch them shit in a plate, yeah. Stop watch them kind of thing. Him have to change name for come up in a box. Him can't make him name remain. I will make our name remain. Stop follow them, no man. You know, say a scammer that time have to change him name for come in a box.
One of them text me, lady, every day over Club Alive and your producer, they say come bite me.
So what? Because he's a producer.
Yeah, me
You
finna talk to
can't
my people
overcome a
them.
life to
No,
talk the
no, me
truth.
finna talk to my people them like I'm a pay me.
So what she a do over here? If she
Yeah.
have something for the what she
Yeah,
a do over here
they
to
say
see you
come
over
bite
here.
me. Blood clot. I couldn't can't stop me from saying me more, say nothing. Nah, see there, mix one record, MWR, fucking bright and faithful. I talk to my black brothers and my sisters. You know, like
Aye.
it.
You know,
If them
say,
producer they out
bless.
there hide, me not hide. I'm talking for my country. I'm speaking about my country, my brother
But
and
we
my
are
sister
hide
them
for
down
what
there.
would you hiding for? It's not like what them we are defend corruption.
Yeah.
Hey, me say, me never know say, me since Andrew becomes the prime minister, me know say, 3/4 Jamaican man about him and them wear draws.
Yes. I know jar a sexy tongue, them in them sexy tongue.
Yeah, in them
Yeah.
G-string, me never know
Yeah.
say,
Where's a G-string?
yeah, me
G-string.
never know
Tongue.
say, yeah, Jamaican man them start wear G-string.
Yeah.
The one them
Them
where
take up in them
defend
sexy
Andrew,
tongue.
me never know say them start wear G-string. Them left fan brief to underpants to G-string.
Yeah, and the them just up in them sexy tongue.
And
Yeah.
love shit pit, love wall up in a manual. Me never
Hey,
know say so
bless.
much manual there at
Bless.
Jamaica.
Me I tell you, I know woman wall a man wall.
A man wall.
Them
Man
wall bigger
wall.
than the woman them one.
Me
Yeah.
I tell you to bluntly, me never know say so much big manual there at Jamaica.
But them not them boy we are going on manual. Them not know say nothing for no go up and something come down. Fucking idiot them. You know them manual. Go shit house. You know nothing for no go up and something for come down. You're poor alone. Going at that. The fucking faggot. Yeah, the little doggy.
Me say me never know say the man them where defend Andrew them start use all them short back. Blood clot. Them start use all them short back.
Bless. No for them boy here Jamaica take out them cancer.
Tell it to Andrew make them take it out.
Yeah.
With him wood.
Them call them boy the goat throat.
Yeah, goat throat. Blood clean. Banga Mary fish them. Banga Mary blood clean fish them. Nano head. That's why I don't look upon them because they nano head.
Sometimes them say people, them don't know people. Them don't know people and they want to take liberty and say people.
The skull cap people them into that behavior there, and since them have the money, everybody are running, and that's the initiation rights, and that's why it are gone so. So everybody are use it, and that the behavior there to get out of AKA poverty and not compromise themselves. Them wake up. Them don't know. You see me?
Them a jelly bag.
Who don't like
Me want go.
That's why, look here, that's why the bird, why you believe say, the bird right low. Them can't breed nobody again because them start one up in a shit because man wall.
Yes.
Why?
You know say me a the way, them start one up in a shit pit and man wall now. That's why, cause me know Jamaican man them. When them a lick woman, Jamaican man they like them have a gift. Jamaican man all breed 3 woman, 1 blood clean time. When you look 3 woman pregnant, the one that have baby them month, yeah, that have baby.
Them in the same age group.
What me say? Somebody pick them band at the same month. No, that not there again. Them man them pass away. Short back them I use now. And I use them short back.
Population can't grow if man and man are lay down. Woman and woman, population don't increase. But if you notice, for them that the dynamic skull cap people, them a walk with 6 pitney, them a walk with 4 pitney. One just walk with past me a force you work with. It's something I say you have to understand. Them are increasing their population, why them make sure say other demographics for them population are decrease. Why you think gonna under the pressure wanna under? Because them feel like them have the right to start over humanity. Big man.
Yeah. You say me I do we get stand and like back in the days, man, like all yo. Yeah, Sydney them, J Unit and all Calabar them. Man, back in the days you have stepper.
True.
Stepper.
Stepper
Stepper
them.
you have.
True.
Yeah, one man have all 6 baby blood cleat mother.
Well, 2 baby mother on one road.
And you the mother get all triplet. Twin.
Yeah.
Them one ya, them Andrew cut out them seed bag and make them start use them choke back. That's why them can't breed nobody.
Latching them are going on now, man.
All the Andrew man supporters, mouth water can't breed blood clot, woman.
I look on it as a sign of insanity. Because if you walk down the road and there's a pile of shit in the way, you don't step over it. If you step in it, you scan in the shoes. So how you can lay down in it? It don't make no sense.
That may I say.
Something off. Madness that. Sign of
Me miss
insanity.
that. Me miss that.
First time Jamaican man, you know, stepper, you know. Them pants waist, step on them hip, you know. Shirt, you know, pants, you know. And belt, you know. You can't see them underpants. Don't time you see them underpants. And when you and them are going to bed.
No.
Don't time you see them underpants are them brief. Or when you and them in a bed. I you take it off. Or them a take it off. No, some of them are underpants, bad color. You see the eye them are people out. And them no look before they put it on and say, what if I eye on the back in and the blood clot, bad color, you know.
I shit up. Cheating a play.
Be a hole in them underpants.
Yeah. You know, makes sense.
You don't see them pants tight up
I
on
want
them.
them look nice and dress up. I'm one of them that check that back of the underpants.
Yeah, me tell you, say, back in the days, man, a stepper, them a one a shit in a plate, Andrew shit in a plate, them. Yeah, me tell you, say, since Andrew becomes prime minister, I saw me know, see a lot of manual in a Jamaica. Whole heap of shit pit.
Oh, man.
That's why when you're going to town too, you just see the, what you call the soul, them just bust up so to blood click, and the soul say, them boy are overthrow me, you know, man, because me for collect the shit, them receive them, and them I receive it. So yeah, me have just flood the ground. I make the prime minister know, say, watch out, me for carry the shit, you know, you make the man them carry the blood clot shit. And the water, and the road.
And I did that day, my jaw down pan the ends and me and I youth a whole of meds and me and the same thing we are chat about. Where them come from all of a sudden the place dirty with them. Where them in a hide?
Them are on TikTok, darling.
She know what's that.
24/7 to see them on TikTok.
But you know,
First time man. You see first time man. We have never this happen, man.
They never come down there, you know, at them chump a let out, you know, the 10,000 them, you know, they see them, you know.
But we are the Shelly.
Them chump a let out, you know.
But Shelly, wait now. First time man growing up. Stepper. First time stepper in a Jamaica. Them not this woman. You know you them argue with a blood clip, woman.
I'm not this them woman.
You know you them talk about big pussy girl go suck your mother. When me I grow up come up, me not hear man I say big pussy girl go suck your mother.
No. Them things
no. The one them with pants, we down to them tie and them hip.
Them last them way.
What me say?
Yeah.
What me say, because guess what? I'm for sure them fool, you know. Some of them are wear clocks before Andrew, you know. And then make Andrew come in at 2020 put on clocks and mad them.
Yeah, all that time.
Pants which I didn't know.
Me I say, some of them youth here wear clocks before Andrew. And those 2020 Andrew start wear clocks to blood cleat and they make that going at them.
Clocks and bally and all them things.
Yeah.
Just put on a little clocks and everybody say, bro, good.
Hey.
Madness that.
Me have a brother there because true, Me was the only girl at the time amongst 5 man. Me was the only girl at that time, 5 man. And my brother make me wear clothes. They have a place named Barakat on Spanish Town Road. You remember that, so Gaston?
No, but me not got say no, because I come from Senton.
They don't know man at the house. Man at the house on Orange Street.
Yeah, man. Cut.
Yeah. My brother usually came in to go buy clocks.
From Bali.
Yeah, I usually came in a butter. Go buy the high-top crack them. Remember the crack them?
Yo. But
with the lace up thing. And my grandmother was an all-time dressmaker. Some wear all different type of style. But the problem what I have, enough of them youth here, parents, grew up in a brand, and enough of the girl them love when them boy people look good and them a wear clocks before Andrew. They make Andrew come put on clocks 2020 pound them and mad them out.
Me not understand it.
Like them frightened.
Run them out of business.
Frightened clocks. Then the clocks are no clocks anymore. First time clocks are clocks.
So, a different clocks them.
Then the clocks are with them are invitated clocks. Good clocks are what back in the day.
And they study them style. That's why I trick them.
Yeah, because now him look like him a simulator. One away that, you know see my wear clocks like I and I. And that I saw them up in my program them. That's why them said this thing is about spirit. The spirit, the mind, the war where we're in manipulation, mind control. You see it a play out where you see the man them a turn fruit and a You see me I say, and I love man and all these things. Control of the mind.
That's why I love my grandmother, you know. I love my grandmother. I love say all people will work. Cause my grandmother as you tell me say, you see in a life, don't be a follower, but a leader. Don't make nobody force you to do nothing. Anything you do it off for your own. That means you're not supposed to sorry. Because you do it off for your own. But when you make people boots you, and you do it, you go sorry. So as me be a leader, when me I go school and me a leader and me have my own gang, you know. Blood cleat, me have my one gang when me I go blood cleat Trinity. Yeah, so me know them little young boy, yeah. Make this little shit in a plate here. Grew up on 56 Cumberland Road as a poor boy. You know what, Bon me? You come and you trick the people them and tell them, say, you go in a 1 bedroom. Then you switch it and come back and say you go in a 2 bedroom. And you know, born with gold spoon in your mouth. And you know, grudge nobody for live on the squatters. Like you start style people and style.
And the other way around. I grudge
the other way around. You come and style people. From the say, no, me I notice, you know, and say, you style people them about squatters land, you know. You understand me? And think about, go on with it. Go on with it, because them don't give winning span that. I say every youth you have a vehicle, every young youth for live good. And everybody for have a nice house. And every for have star from out now the ghetto. Everybody now go rich, but them go comfortable. And look what you do, Andrew. You turn around and analyze out the young youth them. You turn around and analyze out the young youth them. You understand? You turn around and mash down people house. And mash down people house and I take away people land. And Andrew, you know, born with no land. This one is no one no land. A God land. And it belongs to God people. God create him world for him people them. Because I know so we could live in the water. We can't live in the sea. And we can't live outside. That's why I'm giving man wisdom, knowledge, and understanding how to build house. True. Because we have to have a privacy. Because the tell we say go out and go multiply. That means we have to breed up and full up earth of life.
Big facts.
Right there, sir, bless miss.
Right there, sir.
Right there, sir. That is the code.
You see me?
Never tell a lie.
Yeah. You see me and you come and take with people and like a year one. You're the only prime minister of land agency and the office of the prime minister. Because you know what all of the land them there.
Because I want control all of the land them.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know what all of the land them there. Him know the people them were unalive and now no family and unalive and left land. You know how much people property them get? Them and the church get a whole heap of people property in the car. Some people never breathe from the day them born yet. Some of them have got church and sign over them property to pastor and tell them so when them pass off, them fi bury them and take the property.
Yeah, all right, they say it for true.
And them claim to people when not paying no tax.
And then bless. Remember the first time a tax office. When you want piece of land, you have forgot tax office. No, you don't forgot tax office, you have forgot land agent. And the land agent in a film office.
Yeah, no, the
so
office of the Prime
them know
Minister.
what pay for land from who not pay for land. And them have who for write them title and give them.
Yeah, we waste of time.
And that a go on, you know.
Then it's one of the
NHT.
Then Tiny, me no cut you there. Me no cut you there, Tiny.
NCB.
Tiny, me no cut you there. Then I see one man from down, I wish country, I St. Elizabeth or Westmoreland, in one of them country there, where them charge him for write false document. Write up false document, get some of the minister them. That's why the IC dig deep.
Yeah, because all the work in the on Sylvia land. And that title she have for Sylvia land. Oh, she get that. Oh, she get the title. And then I come tell her about her name, never depend nothing on me, so she have to pay much money. Then things are not, them are hide plenty things and it have come out in her light. Hold on, it not start yet.
You know what really burned me? You know what really burned me? Melissa, come. I mean, I look on TikTok and so on. Oh, man. What our house mash up? Be a garbage have in there. Our back Ben. And you want to share climb the step for go up in the rubbish there.
Somebody post up the woman. Everybody,
you understand me? I mean, here some little cross my. Some little cross might have come ask where our family there. What Andrew do with the money? When I come ask where the woman family there. What Andrew do with the money? What Andrew do with the money? Help them people there. For sure, he said the man not even love him. Say, hey, if you don't love yourself, you can't love people, you know.
I know him see it. I see everything. He might go on social media. Him see it and him not care.
See there, house in trust. 5 years, house in trust now go build no house for. 5 years, no house. I got build by house in trust for 5 years. And people are true house in trust. Then when the Jamaican people are true house in trust for? What is the reason them not benefit? Because house in trust coming like a partner, you know, you're true, you know, you're supposed to receive your draw, you know. You're supposed to get a draw.
30 million for Juliet house them over Ascot, in front of Ascot school. 30 million. Yeah, me say, when me and you go done pay feet. 30 million for one of the dirty house them, the paper them, where them a bill. 30 million.
The hollow wall.
The man take off $57 million out of housing trust for funding budget. Housing trust is an independent company. For them money not supposed to build no road, fund no budget or nothing. For them money have to build house. That's what it farm for. Low income people.
Yeah, low income earners.
Yeah.
Well, me I tell you. What a Jamaica we live in.
What one, babes?
What a
You're
Jamaica
at the right place on top of me. Hey, you Paul Stewart. Paul Stewart. Oh, $1 billion. Oh, yeah. Come just sit down and say, oh, when you hear them a woman here talking, zip up your mouth, cause real woman attack. Now look at Quebec girl. Real woman. You understand me? You talk $1 billion. Oh, for real. Yeah, man, bless up. Burn the fire.
You know $1 million, me say?
Burn the fire.
$57 million for funding budget. What them money there? Where them money there go? Where is their money there, Andrew? Where them money there? Up to NIS. The poor people, them show them look at NIS. When them get them pension, them can't get them look money from NIS. All that you got touch. Up to the insurance. Up to the insurance company them.
Money grabber. Want more pan more.
Me hear them say $1, him put out $1. If you in a car and you can't talk to no one another, anything can go so ticket.
You know, see a dictatorship. You know, see that big dictatorship we're under. That's why we country for in a come we name them.
Man, put too much boundaries for the people.
Yeah.
Put them in a power for pressure the people. Them the man a pressure the people them too much, man.
You know, Republic, it him not get through for do it. Dirty scrimmage, fly behind pitch the tail, you know. Dead dog, you know.
The man take we all beach. The Father God create that. Father God water that.
No beach you go now, you can't go in free. You mad?
No beach.
When? No beach. I have to pluck out money for going at that. I them the life the Jamaica people want. I them want. So them choose the Jamaica. They choose the Jamaica, man.
Me say the Jamaican people them for stop through NIS. The supervisor and the boss them we are pay out the money them for stop make them dry it out of the people them pay. Just make the people them go home with it and them pay, go feed them picnic.
I hit Juliet one is I use and build up the apartment. They might take away people in NIS money.
You say, you know the local road off Waltham there, so when you turn for go down to Silas school and you take it as a shortcut, as you turn the corner you see the apartment building, it named Howard Estate. And security sit down at the door. She build up the whole of this so in her apartment. You hear me say? Friday me drive through them. I say, Ross, I guess so Juliet house them there. Me see the man I put it up attack. Right at the corner, Waltham. Turn back to Silas school.
But me not believe say we vote you in to complete our work in our country and uno a build house. Me not believe say uno supposed to buy land while in a parliament and a build apartment and them something. Them me not believe that.
Them figure a prison.
Him starting at the house thing now. Can't see the money sweet and
Man, me
jumping
not
like
believe in that neither.
Me not believe in that. You say you work for we and on top of it. You in a parliament and a build apartment, you are take with the land. Me not believe that. What if you're out of parliament, you can purchase your land and do your thing, but while serving we, me not believe in us. You supposed to do no building for yourself. Any building you do for the Jamaican citizens them.
Cause the wife tonight and the money free and John and I
develop and the wife are develop.
Yeah, cause the money
so the equipment them I use for the house and feed them and the truck them. The truck them,
yeah,
feed them.
Yeah, the garbage truck them.
No, the truck them will carry material for God.
Yeah, feed them truck, yeah, feed them vehicle.
And feed them truck, everything. So them not collect money for all angles.
And the look a poor man truck can make $1 for them one back seat way.
Can't make $1, brother. They look a poor contractor. Them have to park up them truck.
One man come from Wheelums.
Them have to park up them truck.
One man come from Wheelums, sure. And him say, when Portia was prime minister, him say him truck out on the road where him could have get the youth them work.
All right.
Him say from film, him say him is a Jamaica supporter, him is a JLP supporter. And him say from film party, win, film truck them park up in him yard and rock it down.
Yeah, man. That him choose. That's what him choose.
National Work Agency in the office of the Prime Minister.
People have to know, man.
Which ministry in the office of the Prime Minister? Which ministry? Not in the office of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Which ministry not in a film office?
I must about 20 ministry or 19 ministry having in the office. The way you have all them MP there for India. Because if 19 or 20 ministry in a year office where you are operate, where Andrew Weekly in a parliament for, where Dalrymple in a parliament for, where Bobby Montague in a parliament for.
Minister them are minister at portfolio in the prime minister office. Where education minister. Where three of them in a one ministry. Market, Rhoda, and where the man name?
Rhoda. Rhoda,
Morgan.
No, Nesta Morgan. No,
Nesta Morgan.
Yeah.
Well, three of them are doing a one ministry. So you see all them are great, the people then, because you have to pay them the three there. Plus, Vice.
How much of them in the Senate?
I look how much ministry Vice have. Because as some of the Vice are supposed to do it.
Warmington again.
Oh, shit. You know, see them put Warmington in a position where I get big money.
And number
and
one,
two money I get, you know.
What time all EOJ in the office of the Prime Minister? What EOJ are doing in the office of the Prime Minister?
No corruption, man. They give him the winnings, man.
One phone call, fix that, you know.
Control everything.
The man control everything.
But we're not idiot because remember say no, we use something there. Come, Papa. We used to work in a polling station, you know, so we know everything we're going in a polling station. 5 o'clock, them close, we start check off, we know who win, we have an idea who win before it even go accounting station. So I will write up, I will put it on a pink paper.
It's them there
and when it got the counting center, we know. But at first election, I see them give winning so early. Like gone to Buchanan and win from 67 bucks. Go in. And like leading as what they say. It look like the Prime Minister losing him seat. By the time then set us to box and the light just gone on the internet. 20 to 30 minutes after they come back, you just say whoop, whoop, whoop. The Prime Minister leading, and yes, he win. Not no, say everybody says that not.
Just like that.
Just like that.
People see it, you know, people not idiot. People see, people know.
Not idiot,
they know too, you know, because I know they not celebrate it, you know. I know they can't celebrate. And at the end of the day, if you notice in a parliament, the Prime Minister carry to look on the opposition them straight.
As him know what
you don't notice him in a parliament. Even when time the man did that talk, even when time opposition then did that talk about him wife or whatever and thing, and then get mad and them feel like him would just grab Marky and squeeze him. And at the end of the day, the whole of them walk out. Him know him conscience are right him know him don't win. Him see the people them did have vote against him. But because him have them in the office, in the polling station to rig the election. And then they don't have them plan. Them have them plan because you know your dead man Mackenzie, I tell you. Him not deliver him them not surrender Jamaica to the PMP. Them have up them plan, them know what them did I go do and what them a do.
You see what gotta do this
so all when time the man lose, them all give him winnings.
Oh, there's man look.
They did lose. And did lose. Yeah, you know, them colored people have enough control over enough things, so them easily adjust it because they needed him to complete the agenda, and them already went shuffle out the funds to him. So all them do is ensure When them see say pay orange shirt when they're on the ground, them come up with the master plan and say, yo, we have to intervene and make sure say my boy make it in. And then when him come in, the people them should look within themselves and say, but I pay orange shirt when they're on the ground, all this possible and create chaos right behind it. But everybody does accept it. So everything go on. You see me? We have to work with the experience, you know, not just the narrative. Not because them saying win was when supposed to accept it.
That's
when
why
say
right
people
away
were frustrated.
Them a conquer the court business with Paul Buchanan.
Yeah, I think them could
Them
have
a ask straight out that them a go come out with the result, you know. Them Andrew one is good and put out some big money from that judge they head right now.
That's all it is.
You don't think them are getting no justice?
Well, justice, if you go through the legal system for create justice, it never coming up. You have to find other ways and means.
Yeah, my brother. Never say it better.
Warrior more
Yeah, we
people
deal with
for
some way the Prime Minister deal with the counteract. The counteract theme.
Yeah, well, you see the people them, most people, like when I listen to something and them say, you see people, them only respect power, and sometimes power have to come from conflict. You can't talk your way through, because like me say, a bully don't understand conversation. They only understand action. You have to stand up to them. You see what I say? And when you're faced to a dictatorship type scenario like what I go on now, the only way, all right, make sure the only way it work out and things kind of pause is like when you look at Albania. Them come and say them buy out this land. And the land not even part of Albania and they're on the outskirts. It's an island to itself. The people them not waste no time because them already know who them I work with. And them know so them full of lie and manipulation, not because them say them are gonna build this and them not gonna disturb the natural. Them react right away. It put a pause on thing. People start listen. They never come out and march. Them react. The president, them burn down Fame House instantly. Then they're not chatting to nobody. Them start work. You see me? Because that's all them understand. You have to meet them fire and that people want to go out there. But sometimes you have to do something where you're uncomfortable to do. You know, feel comfortable about and I risk, but you have to do it. Because that's how earth run. Big man thing. I just saw it go. Can't go around it. You see me? I say that's the principles of existence. You have to fight to live. And you not hear nothing because him say him have the support system. Him have the money in his pocket and him have the people them where I say we run things and we have them push up them chest. But them splintered so them have a weakness I work with. If them never splintered, then them look like them solid. But them they not too many places at the same time. That's a weakness. So when the masses react, them cannot push back. Them cannot. Them are just hope say on a belief say on a just outclass, outmanned. The illusion. That's what them are bet upon, you know. That's why them have these people around the internet and are going like, yes, we got this, and boom, boom, boom. I change narrative for sure confidence and for them side of the more powerful side. There's power in numbers. Because them not prepared for erase the whole place in a one shot. Them cannot. Yes, I may say. But if the whole place rush them will know. So them have to go to the table and come back again. This is the big secret. That's why them keep us disconnected, put us in a party, old, white, black, purple, and blue. Divided. We're weak. United, we are a force to deal with. Remember that. That's the key. Sounds so simple that some people don't want to believe in it, but it. And think you're going to overlook it. 100 days them done and have to make people understand that. Not speak about it. Them know people have to understand that that's reality. It's not a perception me I work with. This is it. No more. Enough is enough. And I have to reflect and know, so I have to step. Why is a must? Why are they on the planet and why are they outside of the planet? Know that. You get peace after you fight war. You don't get peace and things say war are going to invade you. You have to fight war. And people tired for it and want the peace so much that they will go to it. You cannot have peace when you have greedy, hungry belly. What would I call them?
You cannot have peace until you have equal rights and justice. When you have equal rights and justice,
peace comes around.
Peace will come after.
Correct. And we have to fight for that. It's not given to us. Because there's always going to be a set of people who say them a hierarchy, a them around things. And that's for me there now. That's my perception from day one when me up on social media. My thing not change. My thing not change. War is a must. Chaos is a must. But on my page, them thing them me talk about. Chaos is a must.
It could have been the artists, them read up the play and so go and say they can't win the war, so they keep quiet.
They think they can't win it.
The church them influence. Nobody now stand up for nobody, so them just take with themselves.
The church them compromise with the Prime Minister.
You make the few have stronger voice than the many. That's what got on. So the condition, and you remember say it's a war of the spirit, the mind. You make the few control the mentality of the many, that them feel like them weak and ineffective. Why would they invest so much money into making sure you feel that way if it wasn't the solution to the problem? And that's not to understand.
The mind of the people, you know.
Marcelo, them switch, them easy for switch, them can't tame.
Yeah, but some of it go down with the blazing too, you know. And everybody can save, you know. But you have to make sure say the right side get saved. Good over evil. And them boy they we do for them thing. Evil, you know. Because no matter how you look on it, when you look down the road, them are going to eventually turn against themselves, you know, because them live by one principle, war and competition. Them not going to change overnight. It's just that them find different people for work, them ideology pan. Yes, I say. So them themselves are going to eventually analyze for themselves, you know, just because of how them steer. We can't go down that the road there. It leads to demise of humanity, destruction of the planet. We don't have a choice. Them set the rules, and we have to react to it. Because we want free kids and feed them kids, and the other set of kids, great-grandkids, come up and see the planet and have a better way. Can't live forever, you know, so how long we ever fight for to live for? Eh? We should be the last to worry about how long we're going to live. We free for them. Them think they pretty analyze, them think they're madness, because we live a portion at time, we say enough things and enjoy enough things and cry about enough things. We can't chip out. We can put fuel one on the line. You think so when me attack you, them follow me, you know, them listen to me. Yo, them know who me is. Them know say my advice talk like this constantly. And I just know. It's a must. Long time me pre the move, you know. It's a must, my lad. Everyone on the platform, and that's the reality. When I say none of a march and do anything, monthly, it not gonna work, it gonna fizz out. Weekly, kinda makes sense. You process, no matter how you do or what you say, it gonna lead to chaos. I go lead to it. So it's either way I deal with it now, or way I deal with it later. But it's a must. That's something land my plane B. Big man thing. You only know something you know road, you know. Something you know all my life me I fight. All me know. So me quick for draw that like assumption. You see me? Me quick go. Me see it that's right there. I can't go around it. Even
Boy,
fresh
they're
radar when
sweet
me
so much.
go and talk the things, my God.
Go on, man. Go on. Me just did answer that then sweet so what Isaac Buchanan, you know?
Them the people are sweet out, you know. Money is a powerful influencer, you know. We think them call it currency for. Yeah, man. Currency. Energy, bring a energy to them. And them get addicted to.
Isaac in this track we.
When I
We
make
know let
Isaac in
Isaac
this
in
track,
around.
that a misdemeanor to where Andrew are there now. I thought them a talk about how them behave in a parliament. You understand me? So if him wants to see the truth and start with a film business, but this crime minister yeah, where I work for way, and every time him leave Jamaica and go a different country, when him come back, him not tell we what business him go do with the country, and when him a left, him not notify we. Him not give we no update, him not notice we, him not do nothing. Him we are talk about the Krasmite, yeah, shit in a plate. We say him born poor. We
So
say him born poor.
The man got Guyana. And you hear all of us saying Guyana I gonna be him friend. Cause Guyana them are gonna build 300 house in a Jamaica. See? So far I'm gonna partner with Guyanese. For them come build 300 house in a Jamaica.
You walk and I beg and them a promise him. You walk and come parasite to the country. And I want to spend the Melissa money. Don't want to spend the Melissa money.
No one spend it because him take it for him own him say him payment for him loyalty to the wall. Yeah.
Just like
I'm
thief
not
burial money. Just like thief the money, burial money.
Spoiled child syndrome take a whole eye, man. There's no accountability. Like me said, it's one thing them understand, one thing them do things offer. If there's no accountability, no price to pay, the behavior continues. There hasn't been any price. Take barrel money, that was just a test, you know, and it come back again. And again, him run the test and nothing happen. All them do is just increase on film side the threat. To make you stay in a place mentally.
That's why I'm passing Nara bill for cover himself. That's why I'm passing Nara bill.
Exactly. So I'm gonna say legal for him to do certain. Cover him. That the bill that is just for say it's legal to be a dictator right here and now. I can't tell me nothing. Because I don't believe in a law. And it's against the law. I touch him do head games. All of this is head games, you know, the illusion. It's not an illusion. It's like a big Hollywood stage. Hollywood can make you believe in anything, right? Say it real. That them I do. So them circle them platforms. That's why them make sure say certain people. You know what it's so like where she named it when we this up where Nicholas this up. Yeah,
Empress.
Empress, you know, so she there for every little thing, a chat or thing. Speaking spoke and like true, she feels that she speaking spoke, we were supposed to listen. Because we respect the English language and the crown, and she speaks like the crown. All of them thing there, illusion. You know, the crown is the queen a worker.
Pretend
You know, see
shall
when she chip up.
pretend. Pretend shall pretend.
Pretend. It's all an act.
Yeah.
And she chip out when them have express value in the billions to trillions. Them a say estate, the chariot, the golden chariot, estate, it belong to somebody else. Big joke. Hollywood people, them. Yes, sir, man, I say, we have to know, we carry power. United, there's a force to deal with, but them cannot anger. Why you think them a disrupt and them a do?
Milo say them a do damage control. Bless miss. Yeah. Milo did there. Milo forward and him say, yo, him do whole eye research. Him doing research and everything we did that say a true. You see a damage control.
A damage control.
I say Empress now, you know. Let me just have
Empress are
them
fraud.
do
Like
damage
how
control because 3 weeks after. 3 weeks after. Look how long we table that the issue they already. Now we are first one table that the issue they already. Are we are first one table that issue there now?
Yes.
You know, Justin?
I don't know. You are the first one bring it to the.
We don't table this.
Sure,
You remember when we first bring this? Oh, long time. Remember we table this, you know? So it's the reasoning with Empress last night.
Yeah.
What she has said about the woman.
Damage control them
After we
on.
done table it after.
That's why she choose your.
Say she go make the proposal. And we say she make the proposal.
Lie.
Remember say we done table
We don't talk about it already, so she a tell lie. Andrew.
Long time. So yesterday when she had very.
That's why I like how she get the beating.
Me said to her, say, yo, that pill they hard to swallow, you know. That pill they go hard to swallow. Yeah, because me don't know the craft for everything what go on. You see me? Yeah.
So that's why them want debunk it on your platform because you start it.
Milo now confirm say them a do damage control. And that's true.
It's true.
Damage control them a do.
They've been doing it for a minute. That's why them reach as far as them doing them reach, you know, because them feel confidence that them can do damage control. It's like the same thing when you went to see the Unalive in Agwana, the Middle East, and them goes to have people go on different platform and do damage control. That's not what happened.
The thing. That's what them a do. Them a do things and I say things and then I come back and I say, I know that then do. Like people stupid.
Yep. That's why I say everything is all about this war is a spirit, is of the mind. We try trick because if you feel like say, why me judge and say, you say that I do then that against I and I. And then I say, Jano, you prove it, say not. You fall back.
And you play draft.
Once you fall back, you don't want to react. When you're confident, no, when you hold something and you say something and say, you see you're a fish, you know. Right pay you.
That even more, you know. They don't know what time, you know, they don't know so we table out the whole of that, no.
Okay.
Marks.
It take you 3 weeks to come out for come to.
Marks.
And people say the clip was shit.
So where skill work at it? Why, yo, I lie them at
the skill work at
it. But that's done. People say the clip was should have played, them go research it and can't find it.
Yeah, me hear that the part too. Because it don't exist.
Cannot exist.
And the boy Andrew, them ask somebody say, where you hear that from? And the woman says social media and Mark Golding. That the woman tell Andrew, you know?
Me say Israel around Jamaica media, around Jamaica technology system, Israel.
Explain it. Who said that? Winston?
Yeah, me say Israel around Jamaica technology system.
So but they are. And them run it. Who you think control Jamaica media system? One of them.
That's why that's why everything I cover up. That's why the media can't get rid of everything. That's why.
Which time everything was going to, you know.
Real.
Yo. And that me I try to make people know and have to understand the levels of what going, the deception real. You have to lean upon your own experience. Now, follow what them about right and what media say. All of that manipulated. And the same set of people them have.
And I tell me, say me if you need some cliff views. Me if you go listen nationwide. You know, see first thing me say, yo, me not listen nationwide, you know.
Yeah, easy, You say, no, me not gonna so. You say, me laugh. You know, sir, you can't follow them thing they be.
J. Brian play the right clip. Andre Stevens play the clip of Andre Stevens to play and J. Brian play the same clip. But Sierra one different.
Right,
Sierra one different.
exactly.
Yeah, kind of do
Me I
damage
play the clip
control.
where TVJ put up. Me play the clip where TVJ put up. So me can't go wrong. TVJ that thing, man.
Yeah.
While them a listen nation.
Yes, sir.
Nationwide. Oh, you have to have your Jamaica. Alright, just you have to have your Jamaica. Nationwide. You have two TV, national TV, CVM and TVJ. You understand?
Yes.
And you listen nation, so you go believe nationwide over TVJ.
Over TVJ and CVM. You can't believe that. You can't put nationwide over them two stations there.
Yeah, because again, control the narrative, control the mind, keep deception running, keep people divided. Because some people can say, you're that national song, national this reliable source. Keep division, the confusion.
I wonder how Andrew always a good game. And then we start something like Jamaica, you're going to use the military and police to open fire upon. We already studied that already.
Yeah, but it's going to happen regardless. Because the moment when people start realizing I'm going to push them into the back in the mountains and not include them in the exclusive fanciness where them put up the illusion, people are going to start to up more and more. And to keep them in line, them are going to put them. So them already start them up. I bet you
go down for something, one stand for nothing.
Simple. You cannot live forever. Chess, them a play.
Yeah, man.
Every day I say it. When I play checkers, them I play chess. It's tragedy.
So anything happen, you activate the military and the police at the same time.
But we not further than them. We still not further than them. I saw it go.
Still not further than them.
And
you must. And all of them are going to convert, And
enough for them out come out neither at all. Some of them don't like where I go on.
Simple.
Them can't talk because them talk them out of a job because a bad man prime minister what have.
Simple.
Yeah.
Simple. So you can't account the top number of them are going to come out. You have to do something mediocre because enough people, for them family caught up in the sufferation and the passa and drama. For them relative, for them friend. For them girl where them are lay down with.
Andrew Wheatley for their prison. Andrew Wheatley for their prison. That's the problem.
But you see, they said them and them go in a parliament, go implement law upon the Jamaican citizen. So they said law go for the Jamaican citizen, not go for UNITO. Some of poor people the law go for want to put out. Because it was like an ordinary man, only did hear say have how much house and them can't certify it and can't tell one that take away money long time and prison him. I'm named that all over the world pan news. I want me to you. They said never stick, what them said, sheep I stick goat, no? Or they said never stick goat, I stick sheep.
Never stick goat.
I stick sheep. What good for the goose, good for the gander too. What goes around, come around too. You want to benefit from it too.
All the Governor General, I the Governor General there. You know where I go on, I hide.
Yeah, man, a corruption that man, them pay him. Them pay him, man. You know, it's a film salary.
Yeah.
You know, it's a film salary.
Him are the problem.
Him are the problem.
Yeah, man. We study him long time.
We have to start demonstrate on him next now. Him is the next one. We Marvin them have to demonstrate on the Governor General.
And the petition going in Parliament, the petition, I think you get a copy of the petition, Marvin petition, but he probably throw it one side.
Because the problem that the country can support.
And drop the Governor General in his pocket.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we study where I go on.
Yeah, man, Jamaica run away, man. Just one side. One side.
You see, in the Parliament, the opposition side, and
one side, not even one side like a circle, Justin. They just have a circle.
You see, in the Parliament, on the one side of talking in Parliament, the Jamaica Labour Party side.
Yeah, because them have the bigger money and that's the new order.
The opposition, them can't talk in Parliament.
And it's a circle. And it's a circle built around the whole of them. And them Labour, they not get nothing. And just win that circle.
Me say them go England for the reparation bill. The reparation thing the next was in September. For the reparation thing there. So if England pay the money there, the government will take the money there.
But you know, notice who said them now go do reparation. Them is the one who control England, you know. Finances, you know. So if them say no, it's like the whole world has say no. Unless them get overthrown. You get what I say? All right, it's an illusion, then keep giving us hope. So we will stay quiet. We have to figure them out and make we know say, oh, listen, when you say you are the head of this monster, you know. Yes, I man say you are the head. So we have to make sure, say, you see what you say, we are all that as the possible law or the possible outcome. So anybody else will get caught up in it and when me I just saw it go. Because you know say you are the manipulator, all of the finance. What is the central bank? Where them there? Where them not there? That's the thing. Who them not do business with? Who controls that? Who's manipulating this thing? Who is deliberately analyzing a whole demographic of people? Okay, why them I do it? They not do it for the fun. They might do it because they have something on the table that they want to accomplish. That means to give money to a set of people where they might plan for analyze don't add up, my lord. It don't make sense. If me not plan to pay you, why me go give you money? If me not plan to keep you around, why me go give you money? If me not, you're not part of my household. I'm going to give you money.
You're not in a circle. You're not in a circle, right? Me say, man, that me do that say we are say same thing to blah. You're not in a circle.
So why am I going to give you the money? Just get rid of your hand done.
But say I'm not like a Governor General them in a circle.
Okay.
Man them in a circle.
I look like so some of them elite there in a secret society in a lodge. Look like some of them in a lodge too.
You know, so the rich them not cry, because them get for them share.
Yeah, man.
You know, just no come out, come say nothing. Because you don't deal with him already. He might get where him bargain for.
Right, so them create them as a buffer class before the drama comes to them. and you have to face judgment. So these people are created as a buffer class between them and the masses that has the true power. If the elite was so obsolete, why would they need to create a buffer class of people?
Yeah, and they're in a
Them
secret
did not-
society too. They're in a secret society.
and using a part in the reach the levels. And you can't go a certain place. Him cannot shake them hand. Him cannot speak to certain individuals, my lord. And is a worker in the big scale of things. Him is nobody.
But Rasta ever him come America yet and going to the White House?
Come on, man.
Never.
You're welcome. You must understand the levels. How are you?
Yeah, man, we know where we're going, man. We study where we're going.
Understand the levels. You see what I'm saying? You must remember, say the people that really run the show, put them name on my call at no time, you know. Them name not get mentioned, not once. Anybody where you hear them name a call continuously, the workers. They are part of the illusion.
Yes, Portia went to the White House. And PJ. Portia and PJ went to the White House.
Yeah, man. Portia do it wet, man.
And PJ.
Portia do it wet, man, out the road, man. I think I joke.
You look, you can't recall.
Yeah, man, we know we're going. I have some meet them called secret meetings. Secret meeting we lock off to the public. Secret meeting.
For them one wasn't a secret when them going there.
When I say
I
Portia.
wasn't the red carpet roll out here.
I know a Portia thing tough. I don't even know how they have Portia.
Red carpet roll out here. Just like when she go to China in a Fidem Palace. Red carpet roll out here. Them no watch news.
Nobody not tough like Portia, man. When Portia go all over the world, people just hug her up in a bother. Remember a woman that thing. So now the woman and put in a man. From the city, from see them do that, me know what go happen to them, you know.
When Angela go make any deal in a country, we don't know where I go. And when Portia and PJ go out, journalists there.
Thing not normal. You think Portia normal civilian?
You have TV station is there. So, me know which Jamaica you live in. I just what they start focus on politics, KK. But me glad you can't recall, but you can't recall say the Prime Minister is a thief.
You can recall say the man I lick down the people house and I call people squatters, you rob the hurricane money. Boy, I'm not sitting with this man I do. One long list.
You can't recall say a Prime Minister is a criminal. In a certified from 2021.
35. Yeah, thief.
Look on the 18 bedroom mansion when bail. Look on the 18 bedroom mansion when bail.
And Rob, you see on what money?
And nobody no grudge him film mansion when him have up a Beverly Hills. Nobody now lick it down. But him was center mass and sentence go lick down how much people house. That's the man wicked, the man want sucker demon. Ban come Silan. Ban come Silan.
Hey, remember say Andrew said the poor people I mean I get to a spread corona, you know.
Yes, you remember him said the corner shot them. And the man start this the poor people them start
people them. Oh, let me tell you what I say, man say. I people them we are buy big Jilla Island half a bread. And them a spread the corona. Yo,
and I pound a mixed chicken back.
When the man said that, brother, me don't know what to do.
After the man open up the country to an election and then spread it and then lock it down and see how we are spread it. Man start this way. See how we are spreading. After I'm open up the country to an election.
Down the airport. If you did love way, you'd just lock down the airport and no say yeah. Let that blow off. But you know why lock down the airport, you'd rather fi say we have a corona. You see that man then wicked, you know?
Man,
God,
wicked
God.
man. The man when
Me send pass a bill called merit bill, the merit bill for the driver on the road.
I
Wicked
saw
this time, you know.
me say if me in a car, we can't talk. We can't talk to
What a
each
wicked
other.
man.
You can't. And if you drive slow, you get a ticket. And if you drive fast, you get a ticket.
And we just have a hurricane 7 months ago, I implement all them things against me. Wicked man.
That's Christ. May I
I
watch a
tax
video?
I got the tax.
May I watch a video where a man diabetic and
stressful.
And the police them stop him and ticket him for eat peanut. And the man tell them say him diabetic, him have to have like sweets. The honor roast is peanut him a eat, you know. Someone know if your mouth can make you crash.
Yeah.
I merit bill, you know, people have to park them car because people now can't afford to pay them with a ticket there.
People go park them car.
We have to park the car them.
Yeah, people go park them car. And you're going to lose how much points till you lose your license. Them tell you how much points
I take a 2 days to lose your driver's license.
Yeah, how much points I take off 5. Them can use 2 days and cancel your license. 2 days and can cancel your license. Jesus Christ. Me just feel say, because the people them see the things where mad about. The man put a spell.
God bless me. Hey, I will Caribbean fuck up, you know, most of them, you know. See them, you know.
I tell you.
Because, see, one other country, them a follow Jamaica too with the same ticket thing there, over St. Vincent. That's why you see Andrew a tour a place I try convert the people, them.
Tell you. Every country him go and him see something, him come put the pan when him come back at Jamaica.
I work for Trump. No man, him a push Trump agenda upon the people in the Caribbean. And that's why I'm a touring up.
The banking system of Jamaica rip off the people their money to the banking system. People lose their money in their bank.
NCB, nobody talk about your bank with NCB.
Right now, Caribbean all fuck up together. Right now, I just couple country now fuck up in the Caribbean, better go. The same way how Jamaica fuck up, I same way people and country fuck up in the Caribbean.
Me that look for the Caribbean because my brothers and sisters for the whole of them come together and stand.
The whole Caribbean. That is fuck up the whole Caribbean.
But Kabbalah, me that look for every Caribbean country stand up and stand with all Venezuela stand because they're my brother and sister. Me not go ungrateful and say when we black brothers and sisters will come here, you know, as long as we're straight. Although we're not straight because we have a head for our body. We can't eat our food in America, but we can't eat in Jamaica. You understand me? Because we have to work for 1 week. A 1 day pay money that. You understand me? And thing. And for you not a lazy.
Hey, Gaston, I see people in Venezuela are real balling in the man.
Real ball. Tell you, real ball.
When me see thing, brother, I said, John, no earthquake, real.
Yeah, man.
One more earthquake.
By the time, you know.
Them are show power. You have to understand them have technology can do many things.
And air that run on my mind, you know.
Oh, yeah, the hospital, you know, man.
That run on my mind, you know.
Hospital, you know, match up with the people every night, you know.
That run on my mind, you know, say, I want if a man made thing that,
take over Venezuela for say them a build it up back.
That shows that the people of Venezuela are create a little resistance. And I'm afraid step on a toe. Will they continue? That's the thing. Because something I got, it's just like Jamaica. Look there. Everybody passes, but things are happening to Jamaica. This time I come back the other day, nobody can tell me nothing. That was my mate.
Them go
Yeah.
to go fuck on it, man. Them go add them agreement, them ingredients in it. Put up whole heap of wind. Build it up with more wind and them something there. You understand me? Them go to go fuck with it, man.
They mess with it, man.
Yeah, they mess with it. They mess with it.
2025 me there, 2024 me there in North Carolina when something passed through. They mess with that storm there too. Just a man say, me in my bed I hear the storm come on my front door, my window them a shake, door a shake, the whole line. And 6 o'clock come, it just everything just stop. When I open the door, not even rain and fall. Everything just stop. So me know the levels. What them can do, cause that definitely, cause not storm not force to left the flight, come to Friday and travel through.
Bless me. Before you see people are ball for them daughter and their son.
Yeah, man.
Venezuela. I say I call out for them pitney and can't see them.
Can't find them.
I say, yo. Jesus Christ.
Can't find them.
Everybody was different. Everybody knew was different, master.
God no wicked, so.
No, this is not God, this is a man that try to carry out prophecy.
Come on.
Man-made.
Man-made.
In my life.
Fuck on God element them.
Mm-hmm.
Now the earthquake, them I never see nothing like that in my life. The blood. Nah. I have some, you have some country with volcano too, you know. All
yeah,
type
man.
Of, yeah, man, I have some country go through to rascal.
The Jamaican people for us put on the orange and green and come together and build a country.
We
get country.
We get hurricane and them get earthquake. We get earthquake.
When we hear about Port Royal earthquake, I like
Oh man,
yeah, big up yourself, Winston.
Yeah, man, bless up, my G. No, I sit and go.
Yeah, man.
So no matter if people want to stay quiet, they want to shake up the place to make sure it's going to stay distracted and stay in a fear mode. It's not going to happen.
The man ban your people them where they pan filing. And you I take film dump them. I can't come at Jamaica. And you can say to him say, so oh you want me take your dump in my country and my people them where they pan filing, you put stop order upon them. Eh? You can't stand up and talk to the man. I make the man know say same as when we wear trousers that it you wear too. Blood run through you, blood run through me. You go pass away, me I go pass away. Stand up on your 2 foot them and stop crawl on your knee. But you chump no say you're corruption. You can't give him no talk.
Correct. That's what's going on. And yesterday, I talked to a big man, elder. White team, man. And you must say, yo, this is a funny time, man, in our existence. And it look like them are planning to wipe out humanity. I remember, melanated skin people were that first on the list when them start wipe it out. See them and create a hatred, a more intense hatred for the melanated people. Worldwide. Don't you see it?
Yeah, man.
Everywhere them. Yeah, so what do you think them all come to Jamaica come to? Embrace,
No.
Okay. There's no embracing. There's removal.
No.
Removal. That's the agenda.
And them tell him to bring in a bill, That's why I'm bringing the narrow bill,
Yeah, that's our instructions.
Yeah.
Of the Goroni system. That's build that the Goroni system.
Yeah, man. The money them when him have, him want carry it on the corner.
Full control. He want full control of the money.
Yeah. But in full control of the money, him just no want, we can't focus on him where the money I go. Him want can't say use the money do this time, use the money do that. And use power to take where the people them land.
Yeah. And give it to the people that will pay him the money.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all it is. And give him absolute right to take and reshuffle the land and give it to whoever. And the people that are coming, the new construction, the new city, and that's how them are going to get occupied.
Yeah.
And that's how them are put them. You get
Man,
what
I
I'm
say,
saying?
man, find youth for hurricane money, man. Must say,
Yeah,
poor people they are not appalling. And me have used to this money, Fuck that.
The man say, move on the blood, let him love hard life. Come that go on the barber, so I don't vote for me, and I still vote me. Cause all of them contract that it signed. So I vote me, so me have to accomplish it now.
No,
You understand me?
Now we're making turn puppet.
Yeah. So the man say, move on the blood plate, to the idiot, on the luck, take bitter medicine, drink it. Cause they don't sign off all of them contract here from 2020. But it's the time come now to reveal everything now.
Well, on Mama.
Yeah.
You can ask you one question. I ask you a question.
All
right. Hypothetically, right? Hear me say, Clubber. Hypothetically, they say, right? The smart city starter bill, right? When they say a city, them think they're going to take at least probably 7 years. Well, I know. No.
Andrew,
Them think they take years to done bill. So me I say, when him in a power, no. I know say when election I go run again, Because I'm not going to come down until election time. Come out with them sleeping. And say no, hypothetically, say lose election now and another government in a power now. What going to happen with that smart city there? The next 2.5 to 3 year time when election run. Because I know I'm not going to win again.
If it's smart city not go by then time there. Him just still a lie again. Him just still a lie and yam the money there. I'm not no wrong. That's why boss life are going on and it's so now that.
And hypothetically, they will come in and manipulate those machines again, and he will be the winner again, like it was the last time. As him never legitimately win it.
Yeah, never win it.
Yeah, they not, as your tiny say a while ago, they not celebrate. All right. That done.
Yo.
Yes, one now. When the JLP then win with the last time, you see them a celebrate.
The last election, yeah.
Yeah, you see that celebrate like
Big
really
man
win.
thing. Big man thing, club. I'm never there in our country. Me never there.
They not
My
celebrate.
corona did hold me over, so.
Yeah.
And
But
me
me
get
I tell
myself
you,
in a some madness, so. Me da hear what go on
but
the news every
they
now
not
and then, but me
celebrate.
not get no whole heap of details. Me just know same win when me come back.
But me I tell you, say them not celebrate it. Cause they know.
Like say them know, say them never win, so them
Them not
never go on with no.
them
After
not
the light
feel
lock off,
good.
them said
This something happen. Exactly. So you know themselves, they even though they win, they not me not see them celebrate it like you really win. Cause they know say they not win. Yeah, that me I say. They not celebrate. And that way me I say them did not celebrate.
I mean, when they're on Vegas platform at Jerry, I the early part of the numbers. Come here and say, yo, brother, you know, say, look, wicked boy, I get choked. You see me? And them I say, look on this Jamaican, them bad minded because them not go make this a man and lose him office. And that you end up on you know, and them like go out and
Well,
come back
like
next
me
time.
stay upon my life that night, brother. Me dey upon my life cause me campaign out Ross, you know. Do much vlog, you know, on YouTube, you know, for PNP, you know. And I say, yeah, we are going to win, you know. But, yeah, man, we know I say, you see me, we know I say we win, man. And we
I'm
know I
win
say we
it.
could, brother, me bleach you all night, you know. See result, them, you know.
But of course you would have do it because you know said the winning supposed to come.
I
Yes, what I
mean,
say.
man.
Every sign sure say he might not go
Yeah,
lose.
we go hard, me I tell you we go hard, but two them alright. You see, two them control the police them, as we a man say, a man I say, who control the police them and them. I go, you see me? So boy Andrew control the police them. So a whole heap of little thing go on, police a black off man for no vote and whole heap
All
of
them
little
thing there.
That's why Desmond is say they will not surrender the country to PMP because them know what them that do.
Them not
You
gonna
understand me?
surrender.
Down at the tower, them do it. Them know what them did that do. Them know.
whole heap
And to lose him seat. And to lose
Him
him
lose
seat.
it. Him lose it. Legitimately him lose it. Criminally, that's something different. Me always say it, you know, and people always say, I chew you the pan, I do certain things. I say criminality run the world, boys and girls.
Man, well,
Something I just say.
you must be a quarter 20 February this month, yeah. You see something.
Well, like me I say now, existence we supposed to look for fight for, you know, cause again, look worldwide, what am I do? I'm a lower population left, right, and center. When them you want to know for blame it upon natural disaster, and them want to know for blame it upon civil wars. They want to blame it upon diseases. I remember anything that is a diseases that have the label of a virus that's man-made. That means it comes out of a lab, like the C19 virus, AIDS virus, lab, man-made. But them want to know for blame it on other things, like it's a natural order. Right now, Jamaica is in problems. The thing is for one of its people at Jamaica to stay silent and compliant are the worst thing them ever gonna do. Cause what come in, them are not chatting with nobody. And people always take like them say, you know, the weak is pray get the first attack, you know. So how can you portray yourself as weak? When your name is a prayer and you're looked at as the weak, the damaged one, them coming for you first. Right now, Jamaica want like them weak. You only give them more encouragement to come. Cause that's what predators do.
But guess what now you see for you have, but you know why? Cause them have a weak leader. But the leader weak, you know. Everybody end up weak now, you know, see him. Why you think everybody weak? I see him, you know.
The amount of machinery there yard, me not understand now to one pie, but when them come against them one another, the man them quick for react. But now that them existence I get challenged, the man them numb. What are you waiting on? Me not understand it. These are the things I understand. Where every man to put on green and yellow, green and orange, we come from east or west or the man them for starting different. Cause at this point in time, tomorrow look bleak. If the white population cannot say that, my lad, how can you be a black person and see things otherwise? This is what I not understand. If the white, again, I'm going to say to you, if the white population feel that way right now, come and talk to them. I'm very vocal and I'm going to go up on the road and switch up and, I don't speak about, me tell them how I feel. If them can feel like things are come to a bump and that there's a set of people out there who are ready to analyze them, how can black people talk about progress a come? And the people who are commit those atrocities is the one them want to shake hand with. You make that make sense to me. Them, we used to dare around them and all. A 2,000 me around them and all be. It's like life just lead me to them. Because I wasn't aware of them like that. I'm a bridging and tell me about them because him fly a place a Manhattan. And the man said, Junior, boom, 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 bam. Them boy are dangerous, you know. Them boy are this, them boy are that. I say, what you talk about? I said, oh, you think me get pushed out of Manhattan? But business when I flourish, me I deal with the Pfizer me I work with. And the man them shutting down. Run him out of town. And I say, well, I'm going to start looking to them. I'm going to end up round them. You say YT people. Them say we above what you see. They are all our helpers. The Irish, the French, they're all our helpers. I said, what the fuck is my man said to me? Because we go around them deep and through them say me intelligent. They quick to talk. Them think they draw me in. Them quick, I drop jewels in a mic. I said, what the blood clot this? I want me running now. I didn't think it was one farm, one group, white against black. No, they created a buffer class where they don't like the rest of AKA white-looking people. Don't like them. So why would they like the blacks? Why would they be interested in elevating in a black nation? Especially at a time like now, that even the own white people are feeling that they are on the chopping block. Man, I don't know if we wake up there. Jamaicans do not have no choice. It's a demon when we call Andrew. The man wicked beyond wicked. Him are the poster child for evilness when it come to Jamaica.
Man, a true ya talk, man, facts.
There's so many talk, you know. All the people them when claim say him and them are giving protection because them are do them zugu. I feel them pay me jump, but them ask me what me I do here, so I say, you know, like me not like you either. So, bomba clot, we're not afraid for nothing. We can't be destroyed, brother. Make him know, man. Me know him son of punk cause we argue. Make him know what I feel like. Me not hold my mouth, man, lad. Me tell My evil blood clot have nothing else to get removed. What you chat about me? Man turning back on the whole blood clot nation. For what?
Yeah, teeth.
Go away from bomber clot, yes, sir.
All the
Demon got
boy.
blood clot, man. Fuck your brother, baby. Talk about him and just get mad.
Yeah, man, get that, man. That's all, man. So,
John, I'm
man.
just some emotion out of me, no normal, my lad.
Go and grab him, man.
Sure.
Just grab him, you know.
Yeah, the man, evil, my lad.
Blood clot, grab him.
You know, the man not try do nothing for the people that the man show him show him evilness after blood clot, after the hurricane come through. The man double down upon evil. He must say him not respect. Nah, foul, and so I'm there.
Not talk
You know,
boy,
see who me
man.
a shake hand with. You know, see, and him a worker. You can tell her that, because I know the levels.
Boy, man, declare war and we not see him a war with nobody. We not see nobody a war with him and him a declare war.
Then, because him a suppress soon and want to analyze you so the people them can come in and him do the dirty work for them so them never get labeled.
Man say declare war upon him people them, you know. Remember, hey, man
Declare.
said, thing, you know.
He declare it.
Yeah, declare the first thing that he do before all of this. The man said declare war by the people them. Yeah, man. And I said, I think me afraid of nobody. Me not, and then he said, me not afraid of nobody. Yeah.
The man declare war upon Jamaicans to analyze them
When he
do
must
the
be not
dirty
afraid of
work.
nobody in my mind. Me I say, I want
Who him?
that
Who
pussy
him?
and yeah, I was not afraid of nobody. So me I say, I want him. I want him a war, you know. Nobody now.
I'm not sure intense and come for wipe the place clean.
Nobody now war. I am a war with the people them and the people them so blind.
They are. Cause them, you see, them not understand the level of evilness when it come down
Where
upon
man I
them.
do to only. When me see man, where man I do to them is not no love that. And I love them call it.
Love. Man, I
I
sure
see them as a
despise.
yeah.
Man, I sure say him
What?
not have no ratings for them, big man. No love, no nothing. Him see them as less than human at this point. And people are laugh about 1 p.m. What the blood clot? I want no delusional and mad no mad. I want that drink. Cause it not make no sense. When I say 1 p.m. for the man where we're set to now forget this try. Again, these people, if them not look for assimilate with other people that look like them, why the hell would they come to Jamaica to build it up and make everybody eat? You tell me that. Anybody can answer me that? Then me change. Me probably have a change of mindset. If them are people, yes, I say them worried. Come up on a part, you know, and it'll lead me to a truth, you know. The people them were there with same complexion. You heard? I said them worried. They don't see no future. And these people are trying to get rid of them. How the fuck can Jamaican talk about progress and its way? And I see them people them where the white tea them afraid of. Channels, sir. And them create racism. And them wanna run the slave trade. And them every aspect that take black people to suppress them, they are the curators of it. Everything. throughout history. They had a plan. They had a hand in it. You can't get loan, you can't get credit. It's them.
Yeah, man, them problem, them man, we don't fall, boy, you know.
So how them are going to come save we now? And them have a demon. And them instruct the demon for lower the population. So what message that send? That's the message that they're going to come in loving.
Enough people, guess what? Enough people can't interpret that message there. I come like I said, we alone have that message there. Them not get that message there. Them not get that signal there. I don't know how that. I don't know how.
Oh, they miss it. When this a man, the little youth, them might get rid of them left, right, and center. I mean, I said some youth not up on the road and them do them thing. I understand that. But you also wipe out others when have nothing to do with nothing. And if you get with that, you're going to start have a freelance. It's called a purge. That never going to start to Jamaica. Purge Jamaica. That means it's coming to your door eventually, my lord.
Them I do. I purge. I know.
So you can't make demons walk this man.
Every day I purge that one. Hey, you know what that one on the purge? Every tomorrow you're watching news and another day I just see.
A purge.
A purge.
Purge are going, my lad. Yeah. And the people them are sitting and talk about see the evolution and progress and what and promises. Promises is a comfort to our food. The reality that's in front of you is that they're purging.
I remember say when we are see pan news is nothing to one cause nothing now catch pan on news. Well we know about.
And it's deliberately suppressed.
And just imagine if so much I come out pan the news. Just imagine how much you not hear about.
Okay. I have to start dig. We never depend on social media now. At 2018, me go on social media. The same virgin I talk about. Even make me go on social media now. And I said, Jonah, you know you're full enough information.
One team man them where them are shallow grave. One team man them where them are cremate. Them not checking that. Them not check.
Them not check. You must understand
them. Have a lowest crime rate. Me know say that the crime rate, as much as they say crime rate low, lie them a blood clot till.
Remember.
That's impossible.
Remember.
That's impossible. And Jamaica that. If Angela know where I do to you, you get him pussy boss. And Jamaica that. So them are going to say crime rate lower. Cause man I do things in a more style. No, you understand? Man I do things different. So I want in person, you're not going to hear about.
And you must remember, say the people them where I do the work, saying the dirty work, you not make them report them. Now 1 and 2, cause them get called contract.
All the people that want them as politicians are saying go slap with. That report.
They're not them things that we are talking about. So these are the things, my lord. It's just a manipulation of facts to make sure that people understand or think that something effective is happening. And that's why why they do certain things is because they're low in crime. Low in what? When them are the manufacturer.
Crime rate can never do. And Jamaica is a taboo. What the fuck crime rate are going low? In Jamaica? Unless you don't know when name Jamaica.
This thing is real madness. Real madness, my lord. If they want, listen to me. You see, if they want to solve crime, the crime could have get solved worldwide because they have cameras everywhere. You see me? But you must understand the people that might put up the cameras, the same that people are doing some of the most
crime. Crime, you're not spending the money. The funeral parlor now go work, you're not have no boathouse. You know, I'm not
Crime pays.
hospital or no jail. So it pay.
No,
You
fucking so.
think the
Hey,
people them were up on
Gaston.
top. Them done
Gaston.
everything, you know.
Nah. Gaston.
Yo.
Gaston, there is no such thing as a low crime rate in a Jamaica. No such
And
thing. That will never exist.
everywhere there's no such thing. Because it pays.
How the
Criminality
fuck
runs the world.
I am a low crime rate? Low crime rate, man.
This is
I
skull
took
cap.
no Gideon no bus yet. When the Gideon bus,
You
when
see, you
Gideon
hear.
bus in a 5 days time. Yeah?
Yo.
Gideon no bus yet, you know. When the Gideon bus, you know, now go have hand for count people.
Trust me.
So when I talk about crime rate alone, I go and fool on yourself. Fuck yeah.
There's a lot of things that happen, my friend. A lot. Let me go tell you. You see the people them, when I talk about, you see what them blame about Jamaican, about them involved in a certain thing, and this and that. I like them, the boy, they're bigger than when Jamaican, let them not try. Them and deep in it too. When we go down the Diamond District, go around in the Diamond District and wash them. Yo, the man them dangerous, the man them move different. Don't look on them and believe the narratives like they just peace loving and all. Some goddamn name gangster. So crime, all them can do things when that is the core of who them is and what of money where they make to have them
We are
dominance
all
come from that way there.
Jamaican live in them. We are all Jamaican live amongst them one another, you know. You think there is such thing as a low crime rate?
There isn't any. Not
That's
just that, but me I
impossible.
say not even not just Jamaica, across the
That's
world.
impossible. Low crime rate when them man they are people for dead every day.
Russia.
All
Or
the
you think
prime
them the
minister,
Russian them move?
all the prime minister purge them.
Okay.
So,
Purge. You have to look upon things be
so
250
how
years.
can so that me know that lead me to ask you now, how can the prime minister purge and have a low crime rate?
It don't make sense.
It
Because
don't
he's
make sense.
actively
I not sure you better. So me don't know where them a get narrative, then just come out with this bag of narrative. I labor right them a say that crime rate lower and the
because
police
they
them
follow the narrative, which is the media, and the media is controlled by whom? The same set of people them where my shake hand with, so them suppress them information.
yeah man, the same set of sodomite them man. And them.
You know them practices, right? Them believe in a child thing and all them things there. You study Afghanistan, you see the influence is deep. When we think of that as a Muslim country, them a do certain pedophilia movement, funny guy movement. No place them infiltrate. Yeah, the thing deep, my lad. If you start do some research and follow the money trail, you're running at something that you like is another realm. You say, what the fuck this?
You know the thing, man. You just go and learn, you know.
You have to wonder what the fuck I go on. You mean to me blind to this all along and believe the bullshit? You have to wipe your mind clean and start research. And them, you know them I do nowadays, them start block certain sites and certain information.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because information when me having in 2016 and 17. Wipe off of the source off of the internet.
Yeah.
Wipe off. I mean, I tell them, I start research them. I start digging at them. I start realize a pattern. Them boy, them man, them digging at everything, my lad. Every fucking thing that you can, what society can say, consider negative. Them man, they digging at. Then I take nuts out. Then run the show. Them are the demigods on the planet. This is your belief system. You see when people, when they're in a foreign and I complain about what happened in the Middle East, them and them are all attack them on the road. And I said, don't say a word. We do what we feel. Yes. That means them I said I'm not take no shot from nobody. And this is my question. Why do Jamaicans feel that they're coming to help them? Yes, when little can pass, that your co-sign to your own demise. That basically that's what them do. And I talk about 1 p.m. And I know say 5 years from now, half of them not go there. So and I'm gonna get to that them. Yep. The idiots them. The dunce them with their blood clot Jamaica. If them not accept them own, them not gonna accept no black man. Especially when I have no money. I can tell you that. God them yard me eat when you sit down on them table. Your $1 million out, sit down in ice. Laugh and chat. I don't never know what them think me a idiot. Yeah. Talk to rabbis. And them like chat to me. The rabbis them. Yeah. So them think they said well. So we respect your program and respect everyone will pass through and drop knowledge. But I may say, on have to pay for a serious time of come. When people have to go make up their mind to set the big nose and them bullshit. To try to send a message that life may be rough and life may be tough, but you still love it. And I want something better. Whatever offer is nothing. And you're willing to die for what you believe in. But you're not going to take no more of the bullshit. You have to bring that to the table. That has to be brought to the table. So any good dialogue, any appropriate change, because the purge are going to happen under disguise that they're helping the society. Under disguise. We're doing things to help the Jamaican people. No, that's a lie. And I do things to set them up. So you can get to that end easy. And nobody not realize till it's over, till it's too late. And that's the reality. Yo, family never cut out me there. I try to clean my car.
Hey, though.
That's why you work for background.
Mute up, man. I'm going to play something.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll take over the conversation on the phone there.
Blessed love, everyone.
Yeah, phone it's all gone.
And listen, it's so sad. I just come from Jamaica 2 weeks ago and I come to the conclusion and say, I now want to return, I now want to move back. Situation no look good at all. Situation no look good to return.
Explain to me, Goddess.
Because, you know...
So when the Prime Minister is gone, when the Prime Minister is gone, the whole of we can go down there.
Well, maybe if changes come, but yeah, when me see I go happen and not to come, you don't want to be in that situation. If you drop sick down there right now, if you don't have money to go to a good private doctor hospital, you go cook.
You know, money to fly out the hospital.
Yeah, be a problem. Too much.
Right, Alpha. Only for those who already have it. Thanks for the update. Reality still is what it is.
As you broke $1,000, so it done. I just can't even buy a good plate of food.
$1,000 go.
Yeah, one fish dinner, 4,500. That's almost 50 Canadian dollars.
In that time, yeah. So was a Jamaican. Come on. I'm going to know it. How much for one bread now?
$1,000, so.
Bread for dinner and lunch. Yo.
How much for one bread now? And you feel better, man. Oh, God, man. Come on, wicked man.
Wicked, wicked,
You
wicked,
know, say
wicked.
people then wicked too, the people then
Lie.
wicked.
I people are wicked. Nah,
People them just
nah.
they're stubborn. For
People are not
example,
wicked.
well, for example,
Instead of
no man,
wicked at
they have some cunning way about them. And if the people them behave the same as the leader, them what you expect. For example, let me give you an example. I first never got yard and get scam diplomatically. All right? When they recognize that you're a foreigner, everywhere you go buy something. I give them $1,000 bill and when you buy come to $6, $5, $4, $700, then tell you say then they'll have no change. If you know the exact change, eh? You
Rob the
take,
robber, mama. Rob the robber, mama. Rob the robber.
yeah, you
And the
take
scam that I rob.
yeah,
Rob that and a scam that I rob.
robbery, yeah.
Scamming out when things happen, you don't know how it happened. How it happened, sir? How what going on? That
Yeah.
a robbery and you allow it to happen.
You take a Uber.
So you allow it to make it happen. You're wrong.
Well, for
Yeah,
example,
what more I say still in that? What more I say, Clever? She don't know how much for her bread at Jamaica. That's nearly 700 for bread. And 500
bread. I
$600.
don't eat bread. I don't eat bread.
But watch me now. Watch me now. At them money they for bread. I choose somebody mentioned about bread. You know what I mean?
Okay.
And the box food thing where you mentioned, the box food, one what them call it, the double coffee where they used to buy for $400 back black in the days. How $1,500 for that, you know?
Yeah, well, me's a vegetarian.
If you want vegetarian, mama, that's nice. Vegetarian dish.
I wouldn't have said $1,000. I would have said they have $1,000 money.
But Clever, you don't know what I go in their own country, man. Alright, but tell us something, Clever. Listen to me. You see the little box them where you used to buy for $50. When I used to sell for $100 food then, I like 3 bills for them food there, no brother.
You must not 3 bills food there.
I get what that there's some little corner, you get a 1 piece of chicken with little rice. In a little box. They're like 3 bills for the corner shop. You see what I mean? But you say if you go to a restaurant, you have to have your pretty $700, $800, $900, $1,500. What you talk about?
Me got one Chinese vegan food. And one entry at $7,000. Right up the south of Canton Spring Road. $7,000. So eating out, and if you want to eat out, all you can eat at $8,000 the buffet.
Yeah, man, we're rich man, we're country rich man. The thing them, you know, we still have behind it and I go live rich. A year, how much you got pay? $7,000. If you go buy a pound of cabbage, if you go buy a pound of cabbage or a bunch of callaloo and some sitting and steam up your yard and make some yam and banana and something and live your life. You know, you're just a cheap ass bitch, yeah. At that time, the most healthy food. You run down $700 with a vegetable food. Some fertilizer vegetable and some something on your skin.
Yeah.
So we know if we live, you know. So we know if we live. Me call myself independent craft, you know. Cause me build a name for my own self. Cause me know me up on top of you, which I'm not.
And I put this in the car. I gotta use the restroom. It's open.
I cook when
The
I was
restroom
there,
open.
but
Yeah.
as you're there on vacation, you can't get up and cook every day. That's why you go on vacation, right? But I did cook
Oh, you're on vacation.
Then you not listen to me.
Oh, you're right. Sorry, man. Sorry, man. You're on vacation. Nah, man. No, sorry,
Look,
man.
this how
You're
you,
on vacation.
this
And
what
them
this
money.
how you
I
talk
tell
to
you
me like me live there. Them
Nah,
not tell
man.
you
Nah,
say,
man. My mistake. We never get to do it. We
yeah,
never
them
get the
not
contract.
tell you say, if
I
you
didn't
not
get the
have change
contract.
when they recognize you're foreigner, then say nah no change, but you not listen your thing.
No, we don't want them to hear the part there, no.
Yeah.
But me, I tell you, that rap, them rather treat that. Because anywhere you go in the world and you spend your money, you're supposed to get back your change.
Yeah, but
It's
and
your
then
money. Nobody never tell about me. Me not no change, you know. Come to the shop, I'm gonna look it. Hurry up. Want to change? Now let me change.
I'm not even at the shop, then do that, you know. And when you support the locals, because I like to support local. If you top to buy,
Oh,
look
on the street, on the street,
up
on
on
the
the
street.
road, and the Uber driver,
Well,
them.
that's on the streets here. So on the streets here, if you choose the Uber for wait for the Uber people and for each transfer money, if they can get a
No,
place for me,
I never did that because I don't want to get scammed. I pay cash. And I was staying at Oak Road and I just go up at the mall there, so and a $465. No matter you give them your $1,000, them will tell you say, I don't have change. I don't have change. In go with your $500, $600 change, just like that. And them now make the initiative to say, me I go inside the mall, go look change. They
all the
just,
police are robbing that.
yeah man, they just scam me
That's
out.
all the police are robbing that. And the scam, you still say scam? Scam
Well,
went up, I even know.
well,
Oh,
me carry me
that's a
carry
robbery.
my, listen, me carry my laptop to get fixed. One place. And they asked me to deposit $11,000. And then I fix my laptop. At 3 times, I carry police go at the place and I still not get back no my money. Be a trickery. You understand? It's terrible there. That's what I'm telling you. I can't see myself a return when I retire.
But you shouldn't even never go to Jamaica go and fix a laptop for $11,000.
And on my laptop and my iPad, them Apple, them said that I deposit for 8,000 and 3,000 to get the same day. After 4 days, I can't get him. I can't police to get back it. I didn't ever get fixed. A police tell them to give me back me $8,000 and then trick me and say then deposit the money. And when me look, I want then change up a name and thing. I never have time for go back again. They just go with me $11,000 like that. And it's all because they recognize that I live a foreign and I have to go fly back up. So that's why I say them a fraud and scammer down there. Everywhere I go, them rob me. Everywhere. It's sick. Everybody me approach and then she say, you're a foreigner. Them pull a lot of stunt on you. And I travel by myself.
Me a foreigner and the only man can get something out of me when me there at Jamaica. Like mother give him something and just say, hold on. It's like I'm gonna pass it at Spanish Town that I'm a little bridge in them place so them sell them like a shrimp. Even though I'm not to munch up shrimp, anybody in my car we just buy out some pack of shrimp and leave it there and just go say, yo, the change is your own. And then you have if me pass the jackfruit man them to we pick out the jackfruit them out of the seed. You have some youth them know them good. And
But
like
that's all expensive, you know.
What you talk about? They are them expensive.
$500 I pay for one pack of jackfruit with about 7 in it.
You're lucky. And that's why I tell me deal with people, the people that want me know in the street. You know what I mean? So I pull up on the people that, especially because this man, I'm going to leave a thing, man. So who fix him up good enough, because the money I come back every next year, the money a day again, now the money next week. Where's your part for your cut again? Where you don't know the Apple vibes. So you have to deal with people, because I love them things, you know. You know, because I'm always a hustler for people. I mean, like when people come bash them behind the buck, you know. A man for just real, give back people them change and know that people money in around, but give people money. Money don't come easy. Whereas in a foreign, the hardest place to make money, you know.
You don't understand.
Yeah, there's some man thinks you find a better road to make money, you suffer in this brown dog. When Mr. Rain come and you know, you feel saying that girl say the glory day is done. Yeah?
Well, I'm gonna say call those to the people that can buy them own house and find them have the money can buy them house and pay the local mortgage and survive. And I don't know. But I know when I have to think about rental, it's hard for people to find. Right now, all foreign. You see how people are talking about Jamaica there. I want to tell them say, yo, right now, if me use the $8 when I sell for the chicken, the little pack of chicken, the three little leg quarter. The $8 when they used to sell for $4 in our day garden and raised it up to $8 now. You see me? And you used to get 4 pieces in and then take out 1 piece and double the price. You see what I mean? You used to get 4 pieces in there. Now them turn it down to 3 pieces and then double the price. Yeah. When they used to go to supermarket, when we used to go to supermarket, $200, oh my God. I'm gonna call the taxi and I think them, yeah, I'm covered and everything full. No. I told a bag like Dollarama bag you walk and come home with, you know. For $200 from supermarket in Canada right now, you know. Things get tough. Things get tough. You know, and people believe that Jamaica things get tough. And people in the diaspora now tell the people them say, yo, it's a world crisis we're in a month. Because people are suffer out in the world and they go like, so we're independent out in the world. We're suffering, you know.
Tell him. It's a world move of Guan.
Brethren, it's a world move, brethren. It's a crisis on the world, my youth. But here we go on political agenda. Come stamp a different authority, make people look on it a different way, and now no time for looking at yourself again. To build your own self-esteem, you look towards people.
Yep.
And that a go on, you know me, G.
Yep.
Where are you in Canada?
I'm in Toronto.
Me too. I'm in Toronto. Every week, every week I got no frills. The price to go up.
Tell them that every week,
brother.
every week, and then the cheap store, them that cheap store, them that what about
Cheap store not cheap no more.
Yeah, the cheap store cheap back then.
You remember when you used to go Dollar Tree?
Brethren, that's why I'm saying, brethren. I'm telling you about your brethren.
Yeah, you know,
Jamaica nice and the people don't even know.
$1.25 tree now.
$1.25.
Yeah. Guys, leave Dollar Tree alone.
Yo, listen me now, man.
Tree alone.
Brother, in a easy, bro.
Product.
Give me a minute. Give me a minute about Dollar Tree. Leave Dollar Tree alone because at least Dollar Tree is only $1.25. Look on Dollarama now. No be a
all right, look on Dollarama. Dollarama put on 30 cents. Dollarama put on 30 cents. Dollarama put on 30 cents. You have to about Dollar Tree. We put on 25 and 15 cents.
Yo, I remember when I just come to America, yo. When we come to America, I'm going to a store, I'll $1 dollar. I'm going to pick up all some stuff, bro. Your car full of food, bro.
Yeah.
No?
Yep.
No? $200 and nothing, bro.
$100 bags you walk with. Walk out with 2 bags.
Wait, no.
Listen up, I forgot 2010. 2010, me there and my son said, Dad, you know, so I better just send us some barrel. I said, no, so I'm going to pack some barrel. And John, when we're going to the same Northers, cases of sardine and cases of bully beef, and then sitting me a buy for children in a barrel in my yard. I'm going to spend more than $480.
Yo, Mr. Right now we are sent 2 barrel a yard. Right now we are sent 2 barrel a yard.
You're stopping nice, man.
I'm just calling my sister. Me just call my sister and say, sis, you know what me I spend what? My sister said, bro,
don't do it.
You know how much money me have? You know how much money if you full on buy right now, bro? I swear to you, I swear to you.
Let me tell you something. My son in the America, you know, but in Sungamaka, in find a place down a Mountain View, a wholesale down a Mountain View. You see the amount of money where we would spend in Canada for my grocery bill. Like what I said, here max. We spend $250 for my grocery bill. Why you go use the $250 that I send you and try stack a place and take a video and show me what go on. And so when the man show me what go on, a case of this, bag of rice, bag of this. Me I say about wait. We there foreign a waste and look how much good you buy even though the money don't get double and rare. I mean, come on. When they use the money where we spend in Canada for buy food, if you say that Jamaica is in my youth, a double time the amount of food. Nobody waste the time we are saying about it. I pay no
Brother,
money to cheap.
you know say me just tell my sister down at
You said
Jamaica.
not
Me
do
say,
it,
yo,
I'm going to send them a
right
piece of
now,
food.
me say, yo, every month me have to make sure say food there yard, bro. Cause listen me no man, it not easy, bro.
Right now,
The money where we
easy,
are send go buy, I tell my sister say, yo, the money where
Yes,
we are send
man.
go buy barrel a yard, they better we just send down the money, bro. But
Yeah.
we already pack the barrel them already still.
Yeah,
So we are
man.
just hit them out.
Yeah, because here what? Just a barrel alone cost you $120.
$120 for ship.
Just
Three
the
barrel,
barrel alone. The empty barrel.
three trees and 9. 3 trees and 9. That's a 90 something dollar, 90 something thousand. For them 3 barrels.
And then them have to go
How
pay
much?
transportation
Hold
to
on.
pick up the
You gotta pay,
food?
alright. Let's
Hold
say
on,
them charge you
we're
$50
not.
one for shipping.
Eh?
When you charge, they're gonna
I
charge you like
120 I want.
Which
What-
$50?
how much I want to charge
120
you?
I want.
$120, right?
Yeah,
Listen, when you go,
$120.
listen, you see when you go down there, you just calculate the 120 I want. See me? That I change you $60. See me? And put it back in the figure, a figure where I calculate it with the Jamaican. See? You change you 60 where you spend already, right? And when you go down there, you see if you get the little piece of paper, if you go over the wharf, you have to go to the people and where you ship it with, and you have to go pay them. That they cost me a 3 barrel, me send bridge and 1 bicycle. And me have to go over there, go pay over the place. I have to get low shipping, me use. And me have to go over low shipping and pay $37,000 over there. I so I go over the place and get the barrel, and then strip the barrel. I agree, but they have a little used component thing at the bottom where the girls have to pay $18,000 different for.
So well, you know make us send me ship down for 100-inch TV then.
No, don't ship it. I bet you carry it. If you carry it, it's good. But if you ship it my yard, clear it my yard. Oh my God, I'm gonna charge you a leg for your TV. Hold on, give me a second there. Sorry a little bit.
Carry it on the plane when you go down. Better you put it travel with it.
You know what say? Me go home the go pick it up. Come say me send it down with them. Me send it down with them. Bro, what you saying to make no sense?
No, but they have some nice TV at Jamaica where you have to buy appliance, go down everything down there.
No, can me get it for a cheaper rate. Can remember say cheaper, but we say if you buy down the cheaper
shipping and clearing it, but just work it out. More than 10 years me not ship things or barrel no more a yard. Because you just sending money and make them go wholesale. The last time that me do, make them buy 100 pound of flour, bag of rice, bag of this, and split it up amongst the family.
We say better you go cheaper way, don't send the money.
I was send barrel no more. Anybody we are selling barrel now can't food. I must clothes and things were valuable. But
yeah,
you know so there's wholesale at Jamaica right now. PayPal money that the grocery.
Yeah man, can me do it.
Family.
Me do it. When you know about one place at Ocean in Cool Car.
All over Jamaica then do it. From the big C, me find out that me call place and PayPal them the money and all of this stuff. And then cash straight at the
yard.
By yard.
Yeah man. Yo, in a easy in America. Yo, in a easy boat Canada, America, bro. Right now we there.
Remember, say I used for $20 we pay for 1 barrel. The last time I go in our Asian market at $100 Canadian for the empty barrel. The plastic blue one then.
Yeah. I used to that for one over here.
Where you live, America?
Yeah.
Yeah, in Toronto, last time I look at my sister tell me, say, where they are 120 should pay for the big empty blue barrel. So just look at that, $10,000 already just for the empty barrel. Yeah.
Just for the empty barrel, don't.
Yeah, it don't make sense. And you go off, you pay 2 feet.
Oh, God.
I remember so them can tax it anyhow they want, you know.
Anyhow, don't.
Anyhow they want, they're looking at your barrel and tax it anyhow. Look how much times the people right here on TikTok are share say money with them pay for clear barrel, a goods inside no cost that much.
That's crazy.
They stop ship at the wharf, they will stop do them something they with them do and then see nothing come in. They always stop overpriced people for them goods.
Well, for them overprice us down there.
A 2 big suitcase I go down with where the end and then not even open it. The woman just asked me, say, why you carry so much clothes? I remember when you travel now, then just put your when them put your suitcase through the thing, there are some big X-ray machine now.
Yeah, man, they just X-ray.
Yeah, once you know on a laptop and a device, me say them don't open my suitcase.
Yeah.
I have a carry and make 3. And none of my luggage them they not open.
They not open them no more.
No, because you not have no.
But you know say then go Jamaica though. Them open it.
Them never open it. They never open it for foreign. Nobody open it.
Hey, you know say that me go down in a 2020, right? And me go down. Me free if you go down. But when me reach a Montego Bay, the man them go through me suitcase and I ask me when me I go with them or something. So me say, with what? All of these things very expensive. Me say, how you know some things are expensive? Where the bomb lad, you know? Yeah, when you tell me, say.
Look here, 1 minute, look here. You see when you see of Canada, they not go search the suitcase of Canada. When me reach Jamaica, them not open none of my 3 luggage. Listen what happened. You see when you leave from foreign, then scan your suitcase and before you reach Jamaica, the airport already have the information way in your suitcase. So that is the reason why they never check my 3 suitcase because be closing it. All the ladies said to me, why you alone have so much clothes? And I said, because I stay more than a month and I have to change every day. But you them get the message already what's in your suitcase. So that's why them pick you out and open it and tell us it's expensive because the information is already sent from foreign. What's in your luggage?
It's crazy, man. Jamaica system. Jamaica system.
Me not cut you. Remember, so one time when you used to travel at Jamaica, it take you all 1 hour, 2 hours to come out of the airport. Now, as you land, you not taking no time, you're right out the door once you know.
Out the door, yeah, man.
Because now they have the machine, you know, like me, whereas a Canadian citizen, so I don't have to go through them no line up. I just push my passport in the machine. And
in the machine, yeah, man.
I was out in 10 minutes.
Yeah, man.
So you have to know how you travel. If you don't want to get, if you're in a camouflage, them are going to pick you out of the line. You can't wear no camouflage clothes, meaning you can't wear no army t-shirt, army pants.
Nothing. You just have to straight.
Yeah,
you just have to schedule, yeah.
You have to take off that, give them, you know. My friend just come up with there. She's a American citizen. She born in America. And she go buy a camouflage down there, come up in her. She have to take it off, give them and left it down there. They took her 2 suitcases and it took her days when she reached back a foreign to get her suitcase. Then.
Why she don't go buy camouflage?
She said she never know.
Hey, you can't do that. You can't just like you want to be in the army or you want to be a police. They say you imitate.
We have to know we travel nowadays, you understand? Travel free of stuff, so you know.
You can't believe we have today the 4th of July. And we have storm outside.
Where the New Year?
Maryland, me there.
Okay.
With the capital, brother.
You say storm, like snowstorm, you say?
No, what kind of snowstorm? Where you find snowstorm?
Don't find that, you stay there. You can't get to the line. Well, time change.
Right now, we're 100, outside about 120 degrees hot. Where you find snowstorm, man?
But anything possible right now, my youth. Anything possible right now, trust me.
Me say right now in Maryland. In America right now, hot like not in Jamaica, me never feel my heat there, brother.
Wow. So me I watch everybody. Me in Toronto, me no know, me under my AC now, but I went outside earlier and
me say, you don't want to touch out the door. Out the door, you can put on pot out the door and it boil, brother. It cook.
I wonder
I
if
never
that's
feel
a
them a heat,
natural.
brother.
I wonder if a natural weather this or man-made.
Yeah, man, I tell you, this morning feel like 130 degrees outside.
So you see,
You
give
never.
them come out of France where people them all are physically fight to get one air condition and over 200 people pass away from the heat. Something you know, she say is a worldwide weather problem.
Boy, to me, it's a man made there, brother. I never see them as something in my life.
Me just hoping to reach Toronto to backside. Although me have 3 fan in my house built in AC and me have portable
Hey,
AC,
that
but
don't have nothing to do, brother. When he take you, when he take you, brother, nothing no good.
so when trouble take your picnic shot fit you.
When I tell him, man,
No man, I can't believe so hot over America hot.
Eh?
Me dey for one live look while and the people them must say all them weaver and then we got drop off the
then the
eyelash
must, it melt.
over America.
It a melt.
Then say, girl say, he actually there.
It a catch a fire.
The eyelash never drop off.
Listen, you see all the eyelash leaves them, all eyelash them drop off, you know, they melt.
Yeah, you know that the girl say her wig melt off her head, her eyelash, her makeup just a fall apart.
Yeah, man. Hey, I know they're ugly.
Me glad me natural. I am so natural, me not have nothing to fall
Listen, me
off.
now, man. Listen, me now, man. We got one party a couple of weeks ago, right? I'm going to the party. Me hear the man, I say, it's like that. I said, 10 out of 10. The girl them look good, 10 out of 10. So in the party nice, you know, I said, nah, man. But every turn me see girl, I'ma beat them head. Bap, like I went. Hey, the girl them with that night when the party over, we got one after party in the club. Jesus Christ, me say, if Dranko could have come in the land, brother, in the tinky.
But just did I say, why would you go to a party when the outside so hot? Even if the club has AC, even if the AC is on in a club with the crowd, the AC dead.
We say in the tinky, brother. And you know you have to smell the head. The girl in the wash the wig. And a hot girl on my road.
But even your own natural hair will sweat and smelly if you don't keep it clean.
In them eyelashes. I'm pretty and them you can't find. Boy, crazy, man. What you doing, man? Every day them get up so they don't want to broke, man. Yeah. They're sick. Them sick. Them say, oh, they don't want to broke, man. But them don't have nothing to come to the table. There. What? The kids them coming?
No, they're not coming. Coming to do what?
That's crazy. Yeah. These kids them fortunate. Them lie down in a bed and we have to bring everything to them, right? Huh? Huh? We wish we was living this type of life when we was a kid growing up. Ready?
Nowadays, pitney them lazy like a what, they don't want to do nothing.
Eh? Boy, may I tell you?
Me live with my son, I'm 17 and you have to do everything for him. He will go upstairs, go eat and you have to go take out the plate.
No, you see,
are you
crazy?
Hold on. Plate in that room all 3 days.
No, man.
Me also be so me can't.
Hold on. So hold on. If him is a boy pitney and you do that for him, why you think that happen when him get older?
Lord God, no man, my big daughter keep burning me up feet.
You can't Yo, listen me man, a man have to be a man, yo. You can't do that. You can't feed them youth no gold spoon while you see them a mess up. Not do that. And they want a woman to be a maid. And them woman you not gonna be no man maid.
No, and that my big daughter say, woman, I go clap him up. And then that, especially nowadays, woman, they don't even want to clean up for themselves, much less for man.
Eh? You think nowadays the man, yeah, they love no man? They don't love no man. So why you tell your son, say, you not gonna have no woman then, because no woman not gonna do them something for him. You have to teach him from now, to be a man. To cook him own food, to be self-independent.
He learn to cook the clean and can make chicken and rice. He can cook right on the stove. And he make soup.
Do you remember when my lady there, when she name, when you have cook tin mackerel and rice, you remember advertisement there was a kid?
Yeah. I know, yeah. Selecting and mackerel. That's fine at the 70s, man. We just have to live here, man.
That's all we have to do.
From the year start, I tell myself that I'm going to try not to make nothing, but I'm not complain and not worry about nothing.
Life too short.
Yeah, because you can't build up stress and depression right now. Because if we all the world, if we all things are going, that alone are bringing stress, much less you to go add to it.
No, you can't stress, you know, because if you stress, you're alone, you're being a problem.
Yeah, nobody no business, boy, you're your trouble. All when you tell them, then just a listen, but then no give one granny 2 shoes.
You're alone in your problem.
Yeah.
When you got a doctor, are you alone that take all your medication?
Which one? Why chop?
Yeah, alone I take the medication, the brother, because that them want, you know, they want to give you pills for depression, they want to give you pills for sleep, they want to give you pills for when you wake, they want to give you pills for everything.
Everything there's a medication for. Except self-love.
Hey, listen, man, listen. And you have to have self-love within you. You have to love yourself, because no one not going to love you for you.
Yeah, they say doctor not tell if you love yourself or teach you if you love yourself. He just medicate you.
Yeah. You don't know that, man?
Mama, they coming today? They not coming. Huh? They coming today?
Hi, niece. How are you?
Is that the dog? They coming? You're ready that fast.
Where mama?
Probably back there sitting there watching.
Mama. Mama, you drinking beer? Are you drinking beer?
I'm good, huh?
Eh?
Yeah.
You drinking Milwaukee Best?
Yes, I am.
Oh, man, I'm telling you. I thought we're going to the fireworks. They're not going to no fireworks?
Oh, where she going? She going? It's raining in the day. Y'all get ready to see some fireworks in the rain. What's going on with y'all two?
Now,
Downtown.
we already did know that we're not going
I
nowhere.
can't go no downtown.
Remember, I tell you that from this morning? Okay.
We don't have nothing to do with the government system. The government say, well, if you don't deal with me, you can't sell on a plant. Only listen to this.
Realize that something is happening in Jamaica where Floyd Green yeah, is launching an agricultural program. And this program is up to no good. And I go tell you why, Jamaica. I wanted to listen to what the minister have to say, and then we expound more on it. Listen to what Floyd Green said on CVM News last night, and then we expand some more. Listen to this, Jamaica. Listen to this.
The Green says that the government continues to strengthen the branch through legislative reforms, improve the traceability systems, and the use of technology to better support farmers and law enforcement.
We also have to strengthen our traceability systems, and we're looking to really utilize technology now to bring in some databases that will make it easier for you. Easier for you to identify a registered farmer. You should be able to go on your phone and be able to type in and see that this person is registered and is up to date. We're working on that. We're working on strengthening our animal traceability system.
The minister also maintains that the government is moving to establish the Agricultural Wardens Program to provide additional support for the Agricultural Protection Branch.
We have to get our Agricultural Wardens Program on stream. It has taken a long time. I said in my sectoral representation that I urge the Ministry of National Security and
the government want to make local farming illegal. If you don't already sorry the rider. It's a blood clot government can light a fire. The whole Andrew administration want gas and light a fire.
Last clock, man want make yo, you hear that? You hear that, dog? Jesus Christ, you hear that?
working on strengthening our animal traceability system.
The minister also maintains that the government is moving to establish the Agricultural Wardens Program to provide additional support for the Agricultural Protection Branch.
We have to get our Agricultural Wardens Program on stream. It has taken a long time. I said in my sectoral representation that I urge the Ministry of National Security and
the government want to make local farming illegal. If you don't already sorry the rider. It's a blood clot government can light a fire.
I urge the Ministry of National Security and
the government want to make local farming illegal. If you don't already sorry the rider. It's a blood clot government can light a fire.
Yeah. That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
I urge the Ministry of National Security and
the government want to make local farming illegal. If you don't already sorry the rider. It's a blood clot government can light a fire. The whole Andrew administration want gas and light a fire.
Okay.
the Ministry of Agriculture technical team to finalize the regulations by the end of this month into early next month so that we can bring in our first cohort of wardens, have them trained and have them rolled out by December of this year.
Kevin Black for CVM News.
All right. What you just heard is the Minister of Agriculture saying that come December, they want to put things in place by December where there will be some wardens, which mean special constables, special police officers, yeah, that will be out there targeting the farmers. So if you don't have no radar license, if you don't have no little farm and no transport no little goods in a rural Jamaican police stop you, if you no farm no register, the police can take away no goods and lock you up. He's saying that these special wardens will be rolling out in December. However, Jamaica, I was reliably informed. You hear the minister come out, come talk about, say, wardens, police officer go roll out December, and based on what he said, Jamaica, that mean the little farmer them, you know, which are to transport their little goods to and from. If police stop you know, and you know have no radar license, if you no farm no register, they have the right to take away no goods and lock you up, you know. Yes, but Floyd Green I make it look like say
and take their land too.